petrol so yen de enim sika ye de so esan se de enim ansa ye maame awo na ye nua no kwan of aso penta so boso men kron ne keka han de nya de ayenim ka sika no na samre de eku ahodo ababonten se monte so sanse teta ne petrol ya te so yenim de atete afru so nya no ne ye ka timo so monte so na ababetodwa se road and building contractors wo mo se aban eduo mu ka 16 billion e ka aban e hwe mo to contractor for nko a enso eno NPP abundance constituency chases orphan seat eno so what the MPB mfoni ababeto ho a okohwemu a oyoba ena samle de odi sansemi enso ababeto abontene ede ama no TV3 journalist bi samle de ode ho akwakobo Freemason na minim se o se nyo eno ena samle de ko wakrata no enso do aba na killer taxes a wo mu kiremu a abeto loto betting ho no ena daybreak ono so asan twa ho mfoni ede aba sanse so call baby automfo obo pampampan no a na eho ho nsem ehia no the business analyst ena wono de sika nko a no de agu ho eno se samre de sika no ebi beba na otwi yo ebi beba ban ho twi IMF cash no ebi be hete Bank of Ghana accounts mu na otwi we mu ti samre de enida so oba na enida so oba no yesi wo udu nkosu ya no na awe nkokoma ti enida so na eba na eka ena samre de ebeda ho a nchirima ena yebetua menko the daily searchlight enso emu ena samre de ababa amia okotu sika enso gu ye bra na no ne yeto aba no searchlight enso ede ho nsem bi enso ababetudwa enso ewa ha ene enema hodo bebre ko wakrate enso de ho nsem nyina enso aba Sunyan East MP did not influence NDC delegates samre de ho nsem enso aba ko krata no ne fa etoso mienu na the hawk say NDC for womuko wakrata and was a real election Mahama wa fan cool chop nti samre de and was Jemesi Dupes Alan samre de was yewra Jemesi no wa Alan fan ababe todwa say wo yina hwe ho na wakodi ba womia enso akire na was go for oil no eboa ama samre de petrol ho nsem ekofem ewo Ghana man enso emu ani nyina no eboa NDC chairman commend rival police aprosifo bi a wo muboae ni nyina no odo mo nsem aba betudwa enso ewa ha na menko the insight mu na memfa enwie eno se Mahama punches Akufuado and Bawumia and someone so wakofa ede aba enso eno no ko wakrata no emunsem edoso the Chronicle Mahama to return Unibank to the four ni nyina ho nsem enso ewa ha ni nyina ho nsem enso wa ha ti ukotoko wakrata no bia ene dodo no abadwama nso nsem dodo no na wom so ka ni nyina ye amanyosem ene Ghana se Ghana be Valentine preferent no ye momodene ne nkopeko wakrata no bimto na afi entimi emwayen na ye hunu do man no enso ekro na medin di Brito ba kwesi twemesi Mandela me pagya me mu na afi omamu ompeso ya so te san dwumadie no enso ato aso madam wase mama mo moniti a enyado
He wants. What's the wedding is? Oh, you butu ankasa. Wakaka.
Messi. Lufat na wajima where you?
Hey, malaria drew Lufat. Jama wedding where you hospital.
Sister, where I imagine there. Few hours to my wedding. Na Missy Semu huma yeshepe. Linketa was mikuniya. My husband is sick.
Hey, Jama Tonodo. Na basi no yen.
What's the water tested positive for malaria?
No, na benti no one for ambulance na one.
Up ambulance. It's not a bicycle.
Hey, no, nyasi from Kakabo.
No, kick. Many wedding gonna me make up Nina. Sometimes nearest pharmacy. One meji Lufat.
Entrance pharmaceuticals for one malaria druna.
Inyo. No ye na one chair. Mukuno china nenadi. A brand pa.
No kuniso. No pona waka that you may kiss the bride. If you want to show day.
No dona. Man ne ye dona.
Injija wo malaria enka won to them. Lufat. Eye malaria drop test for malaria before treatment. FDA ahwehwe sa egedie nkrato yi ajatum se eye.
capsules ni syrup your multivitamin for fra. Ejema mo friendly benina. Iron, zinc, copper, folic acid, vitamin B6, nutrient of ashimuma, Feligro Brahma oxygen na yechuko yemuno. Eje dwumeji na honam no so nya hode a ehwehwe. Feligro syrup the beda malt ne ewowo ni jama mo fra. Feligro blood building nutrients so won ne pama benefo. Oni ketufo ni obi a wayare na hoto no.
FD ahwehwe sɛ gyedi nkwatu mu agya tum sɛ yɛ
Obiara ribisa neda me shiva on a payment and wasn't brodo missy oya alternate fatigue in a fever so on a pay me with pizza missy oya alternate malaria then mo general body pains but I'm free sick of alternate everything be alternate sick of be the ultimate no alternate malaria fever no alternate ni fatigue in a headache no alternate weja wona me yaw no alternate Pastor na lawyer, no alternate. Presented for count, no alternate. Kaya you borrow them, no alternate. Mano mede, also no alternate. Yo, no alternate. Malaria fever, no alternate. Nimu fatigue in a headache, no alternate. Weja una mi yaw, no alternate. Pastor na lawyer, no alternate. Presented for count, no alternate. Kaya you borrow them, no alternate. Mano mede, also no alternate. Yo.
Rose, Frekit ran video man, maybe Sasa, I have run on assistant.
Bra, Uswa Bremo, Tanya Mankuni, a Kawari Ebre, we will dear so to any Hennapa.
You did my chest, Papa. I can't do this, but no wedding yet, Russo. And
she can't believe tablets even now on Taunton. What to me on my wedding case? I don't know.
Cold relief.
Cold relief. Pepper sono kokoko. Etimi a wangi tenkete. Uchimu yo dududu. Ana hunimu sonyusu ananso hunimasi. Cold relief. Ebe relief wo ama ho ato wo ntemso.
Cold relief. Semensiawa and can betra oba we mu saa so mo agam hako.
Awari so.
No.
Ubenya cold relief for pharmacy bi eben wo mu. Etufongo Tobinco Limited Kumasi Sports Stadium echi. YF Brono no so. Telephone 051 389 success. Cold relief.
A relief mentamso.
Chania Disaheba capsules.
Madansi ni.
Hey, and so what in your pan and the what's the sad Disaheba? What is Sasa?
Mendia, bibi. And net dear, for once, my chiwaj at Disaheba Messana, who come from Mamiano. Oh, my number Tiwa dancy. Miampa caneno, Namis, Namitimina to Cheme, Nami Coco Yadian so teach me. May no my Disaheba Messa, Nina to go, and the Maya free.
And the sun radio, yet solid you will live. Watching, and you see, the Coco Drocas. Me say, a person crony at Martin Baby, say, you do Saheba Messa, and come out. Nice say, dear, when you're Pomade Pow,
and you do Saheba capsules, no,
I genie, a young crap. At the summary, or be to me, I just appeal for a battery I won't done for anyone I wouldn't fit to me. Kumasi, at to find out of phone call to Saheba Center in the clinic. I was swimming macro, go filling station down Wemo, and the swam Pentecost I sold down. I fear Yana, I have a shop in the pharmacy PM. Free 0500 110.
If an hour when you are Bruce say, go, Unum say, and now we are fridge and go to a same year crumple in your view. Ain't him baby papa, Minya fridge papa, toy, better mammy.
na wonte Artist Prestige Enterprise fonka
Omuso nefo.
ene media se mwesi ho de ye frɛ no tɔ ade na menkyɛ wade o tɔ ade na wakyɛ de de akyiri rum ha de ope ba bi e ton fridge papa Artist Prestige Enterprise omo fridge ahodoɔ pii sɛ o peketwa kɛse ɛhɔ ne ho sɛ ye table top double decker deep freezer omo san wo display fridge wo kyɛ sɛ fridge na glass wo animu a ohu de wo mu no ne nyina bi wo
Hey sir, ene ma ya me ho.
omo gas cookers rice cookers blenders TV set a free 32 inches coping 65 inches afei air condition type bia any home theaters apapapa fine microwave and a washing machine nyina bi mekane majade na enam so mo nyoma ye papanti ade bi a obeto bia no omo a warranty san kyawade
Hey, ene udi asoma sie mi ampa. So mo san nyoma nyina bi ho de ameko sisi a.
omo wa Brepo Junction da bia ye friend ship mu no hwa na obehu omo sansu na atonsu agogo omo ne adansi rural bank na hwe animu frɛ 0243 414822 and 0553 319455 Artist Prestige Enterprise home appliances papa papa fie.
Sorry, dear fa. One kasa with the Huahua who motion my skin. Ama me shot Aria Memrecra. Yamisha Skin City Laboratorium at the Pa and the Tono. Yeah, hyperpigmentation and a hypopigmentation. And no, yeah, the one who do be a war with Tiania. Skin City Pair and a bit me a year free home. Malesma, a yen so pay a woman named Sam Ben a Riasha show, freckles, and then in Kikahon. And no dante, a cabby acne. Acne, a pimple, a bunny penny. A bit yes, yeah, what ititosis. And not one of them say out on Sakao skin now. Well, Felicia's skin and rare fish, a rare home. Senior, and a white dot, and a patches about with DNA. Ubon so wow with DNA now, Munum said the Abu pleats, and our guidance, and a keratosis, and also a strawberry. Strawberry, not by us, a wood jack, said the Aqua, what sees Simon Kadam Kademono, and your anti-aging facial creams, and no SCS or wrinkles, and many pediana son for fair, and yes, also will be worry, was canning ye. A yes, Skin City Laboratorium pet, and a mecan for the amount, and ye what dry dark knuckles, and no air will search ye tuntum, what must be in a color for pa. Now, so in search ye nama, I feel ye what dark neck, or call me say no, now ye tomb, and ye was severe dry skin, ye was severe oily skin, and a damaged skin repair when it is swassa. A yes, Skin City Laboratorium pet, and a mecan for the amount. Facial and body waxing, a bab wow. So, what Skin City Laboratorium, my chapanya, ye was so quarrimampo, affordable house in Shani Mupe, for 0248 936297 0248 936297. Oh, but Joe, so do my phone and him to
Excellency John Dramani Mahama and Mrs. Lodina Mahama, I now can understand why this morning the First Lady to be requested that she wanted the husband to be ushered in with a traditional dance. Little did I know that Excellency had learned his steps as he responded to the beautiful melody of the Lusuma. National Chairman of our party, General Secretary, Minority Leader, Campaign Coordinator, Nanuma, I'm standing on behalf of the people of Northern Region. Our proud Northern Regional Chairman, Adolf, supported by the local constituency chairman, Vito, Alhaji Abdul Rauf Zania. And on behalf of all the constituencies here, including regional chairmen that have traveled far and near, to welcome you all warmly to Tamale. Tamale South Constituency and the UDC is the proud host of this historic, auspicious, momentous occasion to cement the will of the NDC party faithfuls. Nanembecho Excellency Mama Kana Ompuhe Kapai. Na only you assembly, na only you assembly. Unkam kana na only nang abarka. And he's only come back to lead the NDC to rescue our country, as was described by the national chairman, for the country being run to its lowest ebb. Nana Dankwa and Dr. Bawumia have run this economy to the nadir of economic failure, manifesting in excruciating hardship, manifesting in the destruction of the private sector and businesses. The man to rescue it is a man I'm here to introduce. Excellency John Dramani Mahama. He also comes to this office with 5 important characteristics. Professor Joshua Alabi summarize a few of them. I will add just a few. He comes to this office with character, temperament, integrity, and compassion. At least he is not the president who will tell you that I'm not going to IMF and finally return to the IMF. He is not the president who will tell you that there will be no haircut.
Cooperation.
Minority.
We need cooperation to build a better Ghana and a better NDC. I'm therefore calling for cooperation among all elected parliamentary candidates. I'm therefore calling for
na watch say wasom na owanjuadi hu obeboa ama se de omano e wo se kokoju bia no obeye hu adwuma ena na haruna ijusu prapra kwemu e de amano wasi say NPP for nhyase nye handing over notes enfanto ho na dan wodi nkunim se NDC flag bearer no a dan wa na nkunim die se o mampanyi 2024 abato no e hye ase e di se MPP po won mu po kam wo yiri 2024 won mo ebeko na nu na ye bisa se John Dramani Mahama na hoto so pa ene sei edi e pa na okura mu edi ne nani da so a enu nti ama ne didie sunku bi se 2024 obedi nkunimu eye NPP amemu a Ghana fo bi mususu se de ne won mo hwehwe won mo anya ne saa no enu nti ene ebi ama no saa hwehwe mu no ana eye review a wo ye se free SHS yenye mu nsakyraye no enu nti ana omani si de edu ba bi ana ahwe ase na asole IMF aye konti ana school feeding hu sensem ti ana eje ene John Dramani Mahama na hotoso ye bebe se de ensem no esi etie John Dramani Mahama se won de wo ba wo de amansofo aduosia system ministers ena wo de be ye adwuma ono no a lean government ehun adwuma na wo ba beyo na se de wo kan ye no on san twensan se wo ba ekwa bia so S Gracia ye hu fa so de ble wo ma no ehwe wo ma na se ebo wo ma no fom nti S Gracia de tintontan ebetwam etese ado na sa asem no ko kan ye MPP fo bi chese wo hinya atwom wo S Gracia wadidi mu waji bi de ko wo pens won de wan kase ntwem ko ten achi a uzi betwam na mpo so wo hu se S Gracia emwa na wo se betwam a eye bone ana ye behwe se de ensem no esi etie anopai yentie John Dramani Mahama no ebi.
It is about the little children whose promising future is cut short because of a dangerous boat crossing in search of an education. It is also about managing our economy and finances in a manner that does not require us to appropriate the lifetime investments of our retired senior citizens and the middle class. This victory is about raising security and investments and funds for future generations, and not just for spending in a day. It is about restoring trust once again in our institutions and engendering love and pride in the name Ghana. But first, we must win the elections in 2024. And that will require from all of us hard work and winning the trust of the people of Ghana. The NDC and Ghana's interests must therefore continue to guide and bind us all together as one people from one great family. From today, right here in the hall of the University of Development Studies, I declare that the internal competition for the flag bearership position is over. You have chosen experience with vision over experiment, and I'm confident that in December 2024, Ghanaians will make that choice that puts us back on the path of building the Ghana we want together. We must flip the coin from competition to cooperation. We need cooperation to build a better Ghana and a better NDC. I'm therefore calling for cooperation among all elected parliamentary candidates and your aspirants and supporters. Incumbent members of parliament who lost their primaries must also keep their heads up. You remain heroes for the good job you have done and continue to do. We need your experience and talents for the onerous job that faces us when the good people of Ghana give us a mandate to steer the affairs of this country once more. Above all, we need you in the remaining 1.5 years of your parliamentary mandate to carry out your duties in Parliament with dedication and commitment to safeguard the interests of the Ghanaian people. And I wish to assure you that I intend to meet with these MPs at the earliest possible opportunity. I wish to assure you that you are still assets of the party, and we shall make use of the talents and experience that you have garnered. The party needs you and will continue to rely on you as we seek to win election 2024 and change the destiny of the suffering people of Ghana. We must remain one solid family. Let me emphasize and urge all of us as members of the NDC to rededicate ourselves, commit our energies and resources to work hard to win 2024. I assure you of my open-mindedness, my open-door policy, and my commitment to run a government that will be based on merit and competence. Let me reaffirm my unshaken commitment to offer the needed support to our parliamentary candidates and all constituencies to make certain that we secure a healthy majority in the next parliament. What this means for our party is that we must conclude the outstanding parliamentary elections as soon as possible so that we can focus our resources on the campaign for the upcoming national elections. I assure you that together with the national chairman, the general secretary, and other executives, we will plan and campaign very vigorously with clear objectives and strategic outcomes. We owe it as a duty to our country to do so, and we shall. On this note, as I dissolve my innovative, hard-working, and successful campaign coordinating team led by Professor Joshua Alabi, I wish to thank the team, my staff, my security, the media, the NDC regional chairman, regional and constituency campaign teams, and of course my wife, Lordina, my children, and my siblings, some of whom are here. Stand up, let them see you. Thank you. Thank you. And my siblings, and all others who are on this journey with me. I can never repay you for your generosity, dedication, and love for me and for our country, Ghana. Let's hold on to hope. Ladies and gentlemen, we must urgently commence building the Ghana we want together, because our dear nation Ghana is sailing through perilous seas. Our socio-economic foundation as a nation has in the last few years not only been threatened, but has been fractured and dislocated. Corruption and the raid on the public purse have come to a crescendo. The rights of citizens, including journalists, no longer matter to this government. In the last 2 years, Ghana has dropped on the Press Freedom Index. Our national health insurance scheme is comatose. The scheme is starved of funds by the government capping policy and the refusal to release proceeds of the National Health Insurance Levy to the National Health Insurance Authority. Patients are faced with an empty scheme that only ensures retrieval of their medical folders and consultation. Even basic drugs, such as analgesics, cough mixtures, and antibiotics, must be purchased by patients themselves from the drugstores. For the first time in our history, retirees and the middle class are facing, and we will create a tiered banking system that will serve various segments of the market. We will give the opportunity for experienced banking hands who were laid off and needlessly to secure their careers once more and move away from the menial jobs that they were compelled to take. As far as practicable, the banking licenses that were unjustly cancelled by this government will be restored.
Uhia Amuzuke Herbal Mixture. Ebi wo herbal shop biya mu. Frɛ 0247 776743. Uyam ayekro anase emu kekaw. Uhia Amuzuke. Uyam tutu anase emu samfono. Uhia Amuzuke. Wayase ya oya anase uwa fichikro mu haw. Uhia Amuzuke Herbal Mixture. Ebi wo herbal shop biya mu. Frɛ 0247 776743.
Ahaya jinkwa wanzo wampo na kasavije zo mpeso aso ti se dwumadi ne asinkonya ide so me ka so yestumi live ewe in Facebook page na jinkwa FM Kumase wanzo 1.9 ajinkwa FM Kumase wanzo 1.9 YouTube aya ajinkwa FM live mamenkamfo Entrance University College of Health and Science emfa emawo anopai so yo dusuani ofo hwefo opebe bia ma ba kusua de titiusia pomu adusua enya ba bia na wo so ma ba no konyesa obewie sukuu no wonya adwuma nyo obewie na eka ababeto efie nemu wode ko Entrance University College of Health and Science ya owie ya na adwuma kuta no yenkwa na ye first private institution ewo West Africa sub-region doctor of pharmacy fa abanbra no mesua de etobinko esa no adwuma no ebia freye 0509086631 0509086631 ofreye nya ebejo so Ghana Tertiary Education Commission one more ajiene atum Isaac Paint Enterprise ese yankan che wo se ene wu pepenti papa e dia penti wudan se osuo tutoi wo enya penti papa na osuo tutogu so anya wi aba abonsa ho ayese afedi na che se nya papa ebi wo akwa ese kokunte no eframa fire na eho egu so na unya Isaac Paint Enterprise den bia ebebo aye emulsion paint, oil paint, DTM, semi-gloss, satin, eggshell, frat ye woni e bi ho ye wo concrete sealer enso e wo ye ne akache anyi nyina no ebebo wo stabilizer paint kotobi e wo Isaac Paint ye wo kro from tipsy edan mu e ho na ye di adwuma Ghana fo nya age ye ne atum udu di chemso controller house ye ne ka fam ene boso Fred Dr. Zeman e wo sa homa iso 0243 97 57 56 0243 97 57 56 Isaac Paint was a painting akuku dam Dank Herbal Compress Limited yade be na etete wo ema woni gie no enwie peyo na be ma bi wo ho a odwonso a dwunso mu hawo e friend prostate we de ma no nka ho e mema nko a obi wo ho a ogunso wo hunu obi wana no ho asei wo asei ye de na dwonso e mai edidimu a etimi de rubber eto be ma ye se catheter wo ba danke be ye fi ho oba be ma wo ho ayede amamo pressure na etete wo diabetes be ma o me ma yo muntimi ma omo so yes I be have me pa enem yade be na abesua wo so halitosis obi o kasa na nimu yinka eti wo be kasa na obi e ko nachi typhoid fever yade bi ha adwen wan hwe abekasa ya bodu eti ma afon wo ye ketekete wo hye eyetum hepatitis B C Z ni nuan mu nya na stroke yetu ase ubi sase Dank Herbal Compress Limited ye wo hen ye wo peti number 2 oboase kwantempo no so ye ben City Life Hybrid School Freyen anopay 0244 017556 0244 017556 and 0266 593330 ofrenya ye be je wo so na Mystic of Open Eye Church eye bibiman soma the Gracia Prince Mills edano na enei wo se nyame bo adasa me bi odi dua ye bia omaye ho akade a ye de bedi yi enunti ode yeto kwa ebrentuom omaye no brand new sini hama ode nsuwansu atwa ye ho hia ene omaye asase bedi ne so ne odasani se wo mpedi onyankrompon ede ama no yato nyinya agu ene ye ne ose bra no won checherew se yade bi na abeto so opese otu kwa wa ya emfa kosi ada bia wo ye som no mienu ahomanate no nan kosi anopa na wotwe anopa na onsia no enu ye meditation ye di twindwin wotwe di ampotumi ene ne kese yo ho na pa na wɔtwe no ya kyerɛkyerɛ senti a yɛ bibini a ɛwɔ sɛ bibrim na wodi eyie na ɛda wukura wɔtena ase ahwɛ wɔn a ohia ɛnwo bia yɛwɔ Trade Junction ɛhɔ ɛna Mystic of Open Church the Gracia Prince Mills ɔwɔ Franway 0594 22 60 84 0594 226084 offer no obegye wo so na Gismo Herba and yes clinic in a bottle a dray free South Africa and Abagana na akɔ Nigeria na nkonwanya ho adwuma ɛyem sɛ sichi yade o kidney wo sabo na ho aka cancer HIV fibroid obu hɔ a ulcer ɛtete pa o we de ni wo sɛ ye bia ba sasabro tete what does sadia dose twom ojo ho ba bia enyi tipaye the friend so bring migraine tete pa hepatitis ibetu ase obu hɔ a dwunso mu haw tete wo kɔkete so ntumi na oba ba ma ye busa sa wo mu nsɛm no ɛte ɛsɛi ni nya no unya Gismo Herba ɛbɛboa ba ma ntumi nya wo na so kafra ma won sanka Gismo Herba enemu yade bi etu ase frɛ ye 0244 78 1835 0244 781835 and I say 0549 226084 yeah what Trade Junction pechi oboase kwantempon so ana oba agenkwa FM video mu a wo so hwe afia tia bodua obema wonsa akabi Lufat tablet and then a suspension malaria tidi adro tatahwe unya bia ebeboa wo pa se uti enedwa wo wanimu ato untumi ni di da bia esusu so na ukoyenhwemu ne so eye malaria na eye wo a wodro yi Lufat tablet and then a suspension if you entrance from silicas any tobinco from silicas tablet ni empanyfo de unya bia ebeboa wo pa ubetumi editi ubeti asikinkun ana suspension motofo de wo no mu a eboa wo no pa titi eye ne ya no ho a ye hyesu a wosu ni nyanom ebegyaye na ama ɔwofo ɔhwefo wanya kwan yɛ sɛ de wɔsɛ woyɛ bia watumi ayo yɛwɔ krofro yɛwɔ keo aka ne mrum castle yɛne wɔn mo ɛna hwɛ animu anaasɛ baabi yɛ tɔn dwo bia wodu hɔ a wobɛnya Lufat atɔ frɛzɛl 246 45 67 18 0246 456718 naasɛ 0540124852 ofrɛ ne a yɛbɛgye so wɔn ne kura yɛ mu anɔpɛ yɛsi nkunya na yɛde mpɛsua so te sɛ dwumadie ɛsom wɔ na Swift Go na yɛkamfo de ama wɔ motoka bɛɛ na didi akɔneaba mesrɛ wo a yɛanom deɛ no kɔfra ɛmmoa wo Swift Go deɛ no ɛne yɛade atom na wo download the app no a wokɔ Play Store na App Store na download Swift Go a wonya 40 to 100% discount adika aka session nso Ghana for dia kinya scanner yɛnsesa nkɔ dollar fa nkɔ baabi a me esidi no ɛho ɛnkɔnkɔkyere no ɛyɛ ɔmɛyɛ mu ɛne ɛwɔ wokɔ asɔle wokɔ sukuu adwuma na wokɔ woyɛ round so ɛwɔ ɛyɛ Kumasi kodua mu a ɛyɛ Swift Go frɛ 0302 905777 0302 9057 77 WhatsApp ɛyɛ 0501 647600 na yɛnyɛ so wɔn ne kura mu anɔpɛ yɛsi nkunya na yɛdo mpɛsua so te sɛ dwumadie ɛsom wɔ anɔpɛ yi awura no mu a wɔn mo agye pene a yɛne wɔn mo ba bɛsom miwura kwaku antwi owusu akra yɛ social commentator wagye n'adwa anɔpɛ ya wɔba bɛsom ne man Alhassan Abubakar ɔyɛ Nasara coordinator Swami abato mpɛsua so MPP amekɔndi mu ɛna wɔsom ɛna Naso Garden Boy ɛkasa ɛdema NDC amekɔ no ɔno so ɛbɛtranse anɔpɛ na anɔpɛ deɛ miwura kwaku antwi owusu akra transe na me musa nse fi mpo ɛte sɛ akra efi yɛ bɔkɔ deɛ
nyame adom yɛ pa
na okay dan passe sɛ ɔte ne de so ɛde akyɛ yɛ ni yɛntimi nkompani sɛ abusua nyaa so ho yɛ
bia yɛ nyinaa ho yɛ
yo abusua yɛwura kɔkɔ ntwi usu ɛna yɛate ne nka no na papa yɛmhwɛ wɔn mo kyerɛ sɛ wɔkyerɛ deɛ Nyankopɔn yɛ adom a ɛhyɛ ntiadeɛ ɛyɛ lɔre face yɛte so adɛne a fɔn goboɔ yɛate so didi kan yɛate so deɛ ɛtɔ so mmienu nye toso miensa ene de ko mu chese enti so beba anunti sentiade ntumi nkoso ne nya ba bi egina eba ne sa atememfo so na wono ene ye eni niye anunti kuhudu a wono hwe motoka akonya bedi yeso no wono makwa akodi ahie mu ama wono nya adwa kompenkom se yanti so eti ba bi a aka ne na ofra 2 cedi no ebeba 1 cedi 80 pesos ba bi aka ne ofra na ye 4 cedi beba 3 cedi ba bi aka ne ofra na ye 15 cedi ebeba 14 cedi ba bi aka ne ofra na ye 20 cedi no ebeba 19 cedi na chese etete ba na de Ghana fo bi busane se we ya de ebetin joba fo no mate no ai ya tufu so a spare parts ye nte so ukoyi no ma wo habo a ne boarding na no ba esa ba be ye etwema mempie ti asa Ghana fo bi tidie wo ho no e wo fo sa so ye de ni antokwa be ba ho
ele yamiase enka we die ni papa mu anu no se sa di regulation policy no nanka ite otwemu anse se petrol no kɔ fam a se lorry fare no eba fam ekosro so a nanka ekosro but de na ya yehu eduba bi ekosro a se be ya aban be makwan na draw for no enya wo mtumu no na ye buachi bidin saana edru time afu no so ba fam a driver for se be ya wo so bete so na yeso ye ho hare ya kakra utumu se yemen yen hihye no
okay
ya na eduba bi a wodwen ho a wonti ase asedi obi aye de ope se fu e ba fo ma kakra
yeah
ene gina ho a enti se wo se wo bete so fro akine kwa ye hwe se di aban no ana jumaku a hwe sa sector no so no be make sure say the right thing is done say a dam from amui obi eti
yeah
na de bufu ni se mate for ni draw for dodo no enim de a omoye omumuhwe wo ka kra omumfa
yeah
fi se o jaika no twikura no ko gina nkwanchen a otuminya de obedi and they don't care most of them you omunyina bibu ade pa
okay
and yes se tran do a enya ade a me say me befroka no me calculator me calculate na ma frequency na me dia me mon sika ebebruso na nsesa no abaye twema me ntwe nti dodo no aye passenger for no enye sa Ghana aye pejama nka jama nka dodo eye do na once isu na papa pania wa bodwe se
afu twene ubeye na wona no tumutu kenem ko ebi
no amuna ebi nunu and when you think about it Bronito ade ne kan nsesa 1 cent no no kro nya na dwen so obefa would be mom enra me komo and am to drink na 3 cedis 99 pesos na me ma get no 5 cedis no mo asidi na me hwe ni da
ko so de 10 pesos so ana 1 peso
1 peso oh resisten ho no say e jashi asansa chi sa na de tikroma enti amana be ye nom siska no sa anipa enye na dwen se odebema wo ena most of us kra no so bu ho a onye but sa coins no de opa gitugu babia afi na hwiska
na so obi dia akwa kofa
ya hwe besi wa boku enti sa ahihye ya bai me mati sese me free atonsu bakroma 4 cedis ti me ba no me kuta me 3 cedis 50 pesos na me di mawa wo beka sa ma de achi me mbie ma no enti passengers no momodin so office obi kokromu a anwumre no ko pensisa na fa ma no onye a ontimi mpagya ho Africa no atendidie enkum nipa enga yewu ye nkola brem enti yenyere ho ni yengina babia yegina na yenhwe se yensisi yenua no se basa de a asomdwe beba na yenhwe the sustainability of this reduction how sustainable is it going to be 6 months enu na ye hia na bia ya tisu nei ebe 2 months time na sa kosro sa fluctuation no emwa obia anti policy makers no omunyire wo ho Say dear, Nana Kufuor wo ye nya so. Say enkrofo isike eba.
Sike ya sanwo.
Sikana koye I say grace about you.
Ye tutu kasa.
Eno so wadwuma video. Ade ena nke ba ya. No me te say Kojobuati o dresser. Wese na so me interchange na sika no ba. Sika itu nya interchange na be ye.
Interchange.
Oh, David. Enye no nti na. Ma
asa also can be before.
Mr. Omenda vet topic and mugu will be fam kwa. Wo say am voro mo muska. Ye muska se fakosi dan na fakoye kwan ho. Enye sa na omdo musika ma ho. Ewo adwuma be ye se de be ya ho be hare o. Na interchange no ema ye ho hare yen ema amanyose mu hare ho hare no but eyade a infrastructure no kosra eboama movement any mine no expansion no ye great na nyese wo ko na 3 billion no interchange no say be different
aya so usia yera ko usuantwi na ye ne din komo se sentiade na ade achia adrobafo ni wonu metifo yenye the needful na ya ne dru ba bia abani say no mbe shift go post no yakoye nte spare pass so yanti we so na omudi justification
omu nya santo ato no kra ena meka sa ye pa gudi dodo mu say ye to fu mu a ena mu beto na spare pass no what has it got to do with the increment of transport fares and other inputs wo ho ene enka kaskenka tonsu to kajetia no nki tuya be to see 10 cities so says spare parts in a justification because spare parts no will be to my top part back one a bit my chamber 1-2 years not still no the eternity but the nimse a ma car running a year dim yen transport near ye be paying the money a who ha pay fuel say u kotofu de bia eno enema say you change oil input no e bia monthly enti eno no won't me fa nye justification say ya toto oil mu enti me koto me keskem ye nti bida
okay
na kwame ntwi mu penso no de ni enim say petrol no kosra ena omoye adjustment
okay
first crowd na kosibutwi e ready budget ye bobo ni nyina eba free bibia Ghana hayeton eto services and products ni nyina na ye kanebo ye hu bi pen wo mo a omani afika kra no bedi mahu the asma making one dance ye say sana net enti edu se kosibotwe be ye budget na wunya TV bi tra hu na wo tra ni mu ahwe a wo betra say 3-4 hours no okasa eno aba betwem ena the regulation yi buy no so ye the need for enti sas kana omuka say spare part and other inputs no and yes o ko stray wo car eno so ye ka wo so me car no me eco body works enti ene metoto ashintiade ne nye sa kasa no it does omunni any justification to say that. And what I think and say there should be a policy aban be say and on transport no one of the areas workers more informal sector so because enka buy buses say train juma and other means of transport no very year and kasan sem we nyina because obi te abuchire or turn bus ticket for 1 year a whole year no what turn ticket onim say or koba e bi turn monthly e bi turn weekly enti no we betima tutumba sabasa enti me kasa ko for time what the bus yi bi baton so obi amfro eno mu yi free ho o enye mada na oven ya the fan niema wo ba bi no a light truck yam fam fa nipa de ye di fa nipa no so enye for commercial purpose na ye anaja ohia ne adwendwenti na ye fabrication e de seat asisim ena ye titim sa na ye te watade ni twa na ho die si na ena prinsro na ever zikra na ye te so for America say president Kufuor time omukazi entrance so 3 the whole Ghana will be at so 3 ne Kumasi nko that time SK Boafo was the regional minister veni bronya nwie enti bede na wo mutrim nya wo mu de ese say ye hu say ene da ne ye de ato period say ye starting ye nyina change ya dwen ne ye de ya dwen say be dimra so a me say obi a ho be hare no ama ban no so ho hare no na we de obi a ye de opɛ at a point in time etole bi na wo pese wo ko atonsu from KGT a ye be si wo labor ne yakosi wo ahensan bonsuom ansa na wo a wo be ko agogo no wasa ato so na nyame adaroma ekwan ya dem enti se wo driver no se wo twam na wo ye bonsuom obi amfo fi se sa first na ne di traffic so a ne hahi apoto ye ho no etwam enti esese ye hu se de ekono enema esesa enna na meka interchange so about me expansion a productivity a increase enti yenhwe se niema ebeboa ma yenyina ho hare yen na yebedi mra so that the needed incremental productivity na ebeba no aba fize wotraka manfrifie ntem me yirisi mi wo high school junction ena me join swame car ena quickly my bedroom hey which is so nice but first na from Atonsu to KGT out me di 1 hour now uti traffic na to ne eni nyina ma yare o pressure chill na time na wo show watch na metive we bom no mu chese niema so ni na ekoso but say say kakran though Ghana we are seeing development only that the pace is so slow.
Pace no slow o say ye na ye ho APP mira kwaku nju osu na yate ne nka no papa ye monwura ye semro emum enu a aka ne mampani ye Radon Dramani Mahama enya akwanya na woni NDC for Kasai woni Ghana for Kasai woni wi ase nyina sanze se de onu na edi NDC amekwenanim akosa na wase MPP for nsia se prepare omo handing over notes na ekwan bia 2024 omo beko ni ye bisa se John Dramani Mahama ede ni wo hu ama na sa eje no na ho to so pa eni se ede ni wo de ba so nko didi se sa handing over note ya wo kan wasemi MPP for prepare emfa ento
yo me da se mechia me yonko bi na adwo apraman owo chronom mechia na nkete se medika chia but etifa so because cheda nye star na me de poster no to me status no na oma me thumbs up untina prompt me I say me so me ka chen say omu NTV no oma omwa onimu omo so enshare so that we all share the good news your mama me da say President Mahama edru ba bia okay to start with the speech ni de na ye but me who say sa phrase we know the be shame na ye comic relief ai o man ya na attention wo mdo don't dru ba bia amanyofo no so omo ekasama udibisre na ama tempo na perform didn't you make us say President Mahama onye novice in this game what the president da and he knows it all into 2016 no we prepared no handing over notes a year before yebeto abana and I say 2016 na or prepared no handing over notes in 2015 menye sure say sa no ye no enti druba bia ma nsem say no a pricky thoughts ema nipa ema nipa tension no eba from ma ebu ho a bufoni ade no na asubside kakra ohun say emra or your campaign no kasa kire NDC for nko enti na ne kasa no dodo na ye partisan base but enano no kasa ye only say nsem ni bi wo a politics no say politician gina paso kasa untimi nya no hwe Emre bia mbinde no. Enti wo mu begina paso a no mo keka de wo mu pe. Se meyewe no eye no yemfa nware ba o. Enti say also wo prepare wo mu handing over notes that is his choice of words opeso use but me gidi say nobody knows who is going to win this election.
Okay.
The year nyina kan nyina ye prediction. Me makano baby say ye jai President Mahama ene sisi awa win no say MPP for koyi vice president John Mahama will win this election hands down. That is what I think. Oh massa I into bia enu no who say we choose candidate.
Sir, in an unlikely event, let's say MPP for Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia.
Yes, John Mahama will win this election. Marketing.
Dramani Mahama,
yes. Yes. Because
oh, just
John Mahama, Oba politics macho. Into one terrain no.
Okay.
Unim terrain no pa to challenge him to win elections no. And yet better. Now, Bawumia, they say we're novice in this game.
But
and until now, we play that politics, say MPP for a tribalistic, so that because up north, I know that John Mahama is more popular than any other politician in Ghana. I am telling you.
But almost Bawumia take over.
Oh, take it dabei. Economy way. Oh, take it dabei. Questions of Busa, Parko Simitza Atano. John Mahama Musube Busano. So Onyamantel not to lead MPP. They will also ask him. So list of
MPP for being more hope war high. Now we say omo edi omo didie hye Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia no.
Masa.
Yes anete.
Ye nyina ye entrance ni ye mfi ye ni enhwe de ekono. Me koha. Me won for bebre wo nofa almost every week. Menya call and free work around about 3 times.
Okay.
Me wo adamfo bi wo wa wo ye campaign but me mo body.
Okay, yeah.
Malamisa mu nyina ye me namfo. They are all in the NDC now. And I'm telling you this for the last time say John Mahama will become president when Bawumia is elected. And no MPP for Omotia, no Mupo say we NDC. Me ya tag me say NDC amamiskada, which is not true. Political divide no bia enyemishi because me I don't have time for them.
So do baby NDC for be so MPP.
So kasa no mo bebo. Say ya maka we NDC ni wo ha obe heli me. Ye be win but some MPP no ha go be so me. But me I will keep speaking my mind. I'm speaking for myself and those who think like me. Na de mehunu any de mate any me de sa nipa mi nu si esane so a Mahama mood. Even MPP to win an election no enye better sao. But
upon the John Dramani Mahama MPP forecast say obai what the doom so buy obai will be ye say obai one single policy
now there's a policy near the Tuaba. The core NDC supporters about 44-45%. And MPP the same thing. Ekufuado nya 49 point something percent. Olusu election ewukroma. Say no, the target should be the new entrants.
Okay.
They should be the target for this political divide, and they have their own strategy. That one I will not put it out. Na yenya yeto abano middle life voters and answer their friend floating voters no a constant. But in Kolana ebano de decision taking no a slogan any chobo euphoria and take a decision and everybody knows that. And it is when you work at that area ono creator de bia ade be chama yakotoba or no ejaba no to on voters. And it me decide who to win elections near floating voters. I won't and no, it includes the intellectuals, the intellectual base. Though we will be on biases, but will be ukasa. Me share blueprint. The okay. Say mama general say meba mecha
esgracia.
And no nisa to me. He doesn't have that power. And a constitution, and he is enjoying it now. He has enjoyed it. Our no general says can waji wedi. Now, sir, double standards no as it is.
Okay.
Uye penny. I don't know why I enjoy it recently. Me dream say as Graciano, for so be any so. Politicians know they enrich themselves. So they say, but so it takes time to amend that clause and sana a year effective, say yenye. Or they can create a pool.
Say you be your best static processing.
Oh, a dear process. Omun can be that. Ni anti kroma no omuka say omuba health insurance ye betu an once. Ekosi say.
Okay.
Ni anti kroma na President Mills eka say fu obo srodo into obo betu so na kufo tezo
drastically.
Kufo dikate so was it no oba obeko from more. Ekosi say I can go on and on, but that time no drew. The drew time a campaign na heated a honor ye better for so many things.
Okay.
At a point, President Mahama told us, say, building of infrastructure, roads, and others is an exercise in mediocrity. And I believe that we are by now here, choir, only be a ordinary. Was said ye because one was shy, so we sika ye.
It is our was only no Palma best cast on to Antovian.
And our boy, Mana Obetan readers, like I say, hey, Madame Mama, Yemi show. Your responsibility because Antisa, as someone who can later, Omube ye, Sir Green Book, no more enumerate, and Yama Omayanams, it's a penny, I take years saying. So, and I say, Omunim say, Sabu Yadun Susa, or no Abakufuya at a point. Well, Catcher say, Undi president that won't mean criticizing. Now, presidency won Kwani Juma Okoya in Busawa experience. Qualification, no, 40 years and above.
Okay.
Now you're gonna know was sound mind. Your experience, the whole world, you need president to be our experience. Because the more you are getting richer in mind, in governance, you know, that time necessary richer. Until then, I know what a Migo experience.
Okay.
Obiani experience. The white, blacks, and the world. There is no president who has an experience.
Mira Kwaku Enchuusu and Watenekano, Mamenko Alasan Abubakar, or Nasara, Deputy Coordinator, Emma MPP, Amekono Swami, Abato Mpeshueso. Akra, if you go there.
Nyamena dom aduanaba megidi se wo so hoye
odonfo na hoye
but me hu we metimu se nyamea dom bibia koso kama ka why fine o
nyametiasi
nyame ye adwuma sa so na megidi se me ofa so kama na o producer ne wa IT coordinator de oboa bibia wu amom nyamea dom utumu se bibia koso kama mom
sa pepe
na eja ade achina mo je di afusane na chechenwe da wodwom de ende aseda kese ene yede be mo twedi ampon yankopon because ono na yedano na yede asida kese ema no so na yede asida kese so ema na nado amambu pa ode yefam na adom ye yina yenim na nado has been so truthful to Ghanaians tama ye kwa ho kirem wa ba out aka no kore say ya kwa ho kirem na emum obesa yi ya yede afiri ho kirem ye yina so yenim ade ma ye kwa ho kirem is absolutely two forces and a ma ye kwa ho kirem o sha say so nyoma so asha
World Health Organization say me enfan tutu ka bi o
enye no kreda World Health Organizations World Health Organization is different from IMF and our World Bank. Me pacho wadaroma watamasi.
Se no ma mienu na de kwa ahochire mu.
COVID ka ho.
Na World Health Organization.
Na make acho seti.
Se ya yetiwa ye ka se die.
COVID ni baby.
Ma ye fa COVID intutu.
Na make acho say me pacho amemisa wase meduana ba. COVID si ya na se NC.
Obi enu obeka se NC esi.
Eno na make ho asem. Na esi ye no so no. They did bring repercussions on the economy of countries and answer anfama. Maybe so. That is what I'm talking about. And just last week China any 1 week krane US for who buy out be yi title 42 free or say the COVID-19 is no more. So now no country bia na emra what the amount ho a obeyi say COVID-19 no China okọ ene ya. They are still following the proof. That be ya film krana ye de nyame ase say ya film na mum esunsun sanso no upewu mpewu ebe kan aka ewiase yina amamman akese yina aka omo na sabi tatiaga but I say oh there be see the betu eti gradually. For example, yare be etimi be dokro. Dokro wa wo say kakra wa kwa wo say echiri na why you free na waka say oh so say the Ghana we are free from tuberculosis. Ghana we are free from guinea worm. Near the eti now no gradually we will be free from COVID-19. That is all. That is what I wanted to say. Diana bayami adom ye de yami ase wotie for papa omutie yen. Okay. And opi mami fasa akonya ina menchia wona menchia me party mpeni for both national and region. We feature my own to me so be Miami Nasara coordinator Alaji Salim Bamba. Then about yasemo. And also so niti. Me say me pay man to me and the MP because na me ka cross I break na say nti me am fit ni nti man to me MP na. Me nya abotre. Etimi ko hwe ade a omoye no Tamale. Omoye no so omoye no Tamale South. Kwase wa onim the reason why they did it as Tamale South Yankpala campus. For say then what is it cry? Or say acceptance speech you yate. To okoye na I am pia pe ni radio ko.
Was it started and prepare handing over notes.
Order. Jomama is sleeping.
Again na wuji se be ma Jomani Mahama kasa asem.
Say in politics ne dey anase jumadi bia obedi bia.
Wo hunu say NPP amemuni eholo ana.
Don't worry. Ohu say obetimi a capitalize on the weaknesses of the MPP's government. That's ana na adwene ye no. But nyame adon.
Na more weaknesses.
Oh, den ya weakness. Yati atum. Say the post COVID-19 any Russia Ukraine war the problems are brain. And gradually Abano is dealing with those problems. Minya. Yeah. Abaya ya can say
weakness no a threat.
I mean, say your politics there. No matter how you look at the weakness of your opponent, then you capitalize on it. What you say? It says the 2016 election.
And what the SWOT analysis na here.
Exactly. It says the 2016 you who said your mama you incompetent. Wabong na mambo no koso na mambo no nye because obia wa COVID-19 anheto wa Russia Ukraine war anheto na say ultimi busa mambo fono before 2016 there. You are totally incompetent. And you use that weakness. What I say, the weakness, and we capitalize on it. We worked on it.
And you say, but now, no, work on it. Good. At the co-presidency.
Mama, show the difference between Jomama Mumbuna Bechemuno. And Nanado Amambui. I don't know about difference in say. Jomama was mismanaging the economy at the absence of COVID-19, at the absence of Russia-Ukraine war. These two exogenous factors, he mismanaged the economy. But let's look at our records from 2017 up to 2020. Everything was in good shape till COVID-19 by and COVID-19 so by the president any year di no kre e catch say COVID-19 obi aniwa COVID-19 aba wa manage bida. This is the first time it is novel in the whole of the world. Enti ababe boyen nemom di ekwan bi amefa so bia me protect amanfo nkwa no me as president nemom me be protect nkwa no edi nsunsu aso be de ebe ba nsunsu aso ne de ebe ma ye economy na ye de asey nemom se economy ne say a me sa the economy no be back to life.
Okay,
so truthful president like Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ompe we ope obi a obetwa wonto ye kai. When Jomama and his government were mismanaging the economy in 2016, they were throwing all tantrums in the whole of the country. For a single day, say, these are the causes of our own. Never have they done that. But we, and Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo amambu, say I no kre nyoma e de ye ko ye ni na mum mia me de mo beko na mum mia me sa de mo be de e be frim minua ye ina ye nim 2021 2022 and even 2023 we one of the difficult moments a Ghanaians yetimi afom but ni na no enye say aban no onimo na aban ni nim say we ina be de e be ba because I was so protecting nipa nkwa what I say enti sa de no na enti say mahama edge na we so sa ade we so eba be ka say try a hand over nose, no problem. Syrian at John Mama because he doesn't know what he's saying. But in Yamen Chadie, Mesomesa would GD say Ghana for the Bia almost sorry or mobile than Yamias say. So I to hear and Chamna a betoyen or Quemuno. I say a betoyen a brana Nanado Danko Kufuado, any MPP are buying a war abemo. Should it have been the opposite? Maybe John Mama and President NDC Abaya. I don't know about no money you want to buy now. Your dollar drew by 50 Ghana cedis. I can buy now. I can a gallon of petrol. Okay, better by 2 million, 3 million. Near the idea. But because we have the men who are dealing with the issues, no, Yamiadum ene okwa dollar no share na ehweba from aname bo aduanaba. Okwa petrol enemi be ya sate so. Ene yesi fair ofko car say abano say driver no any ni mate na omonte so by 10% because petrol na sha say eba form na ya mencha de aduanaba in the next pricing window menye juma ewo petroleum industry nemum I can confirm to you in the next pricing window, that is in 2 weeks time, petrol will further come down. The dollar will further come down. And this is what we mean by we have the men, we have the men. And you may come as a Mamin Tromo. See, IMF no so no, and yet to go for the coca IMF, so a woman warm. A yagana for. And I made
the next 2 weeks, not just IMF scanner.
But the Assembly maker, a projection I made because I'm a political economist. The may share politics or not may share in an economic aspect of it. On that it is the 80. So what your mama what me and your vim who crowd have you when you vim air catch yen MPP for I am a Ghana for a mambu pa. A Ghana for a Toyan chamber to yen ye cat ye can credit Ghana for. Na Yamiadum Kakan ye say ye Ghana for free. Now oh Baba catch say yen writing over Nusa. Yen handing over Nusa. No problem. December 2024. In
spite of all the talk, okay, you know, over damn pray the work.
Yeah. I mean, that's it. The work it is coming out of a desperate politician. Our person will be
man attention.
Why should we give him an attention? Sir. We are giving attention to the Ghanaian people. Are here, Gavin, not somebody like John Mahama. Obi to say John Mahama or no, I can't say Omani. What me is almost 12 and now more than 12 million Ghana cedis. That's my delegates. Just both political me patrol NDC and John Mahama say na making what I'm
just say
make John Mahama say
political heads in Yamoyesa.
Oh, but you are not being fair to us. You say John Mahama.
Why
me patrol political head ben I. Political head ben I. You saying
meba. So you want to see the crowd of the boa party adwuma.
Enya party adwuma o. Meba obi a ono ka say obi enti meba o. Ono
yeni hana Alan ekotua sika bi di ma mo party for say da ye dia de kura say album wo say ya wa hana ba wo mi aso kotua bi sa mo cars dia mo ye se nya ye party adwuma eti mama ye gitum so otua sika but what ye party adwuma
ba Major Mahama Meka nche Ghana for and I say he shouldn't pretend that things are not all right at his end. That is what we want him to understand. It's in our say we shouldn't take it. And I'm say, oh no, they are all coming. We are not taking him serious one a bit. What we are taking serious is the Ghanaian people.
MPP for Betuaba, Yamia Duma, a Brian Swan. It is a Kobane say, Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia, and now Yura Alan Chamatin. Now we say, Kennedy and Penifon Mubia, a Yisika say. Party members, money fan for camera. And also, say,
I know they say, and yes,
I
was saying is on a contest in America, but
which contest?
On the contest, NDC for they say Omani Mayeding. NDC for they say Omani Mayeding. That is the contest America was.
And was saying Jessica,
Nipa Bako, John Dramani Mahama, Nipa Bako, 12 million Ghana cedis. 12 million Ghana cedis, bra. And you know, Tema party for.
Quadma Ben grass of an impu.
Here they am Penisika.
Ah, Sisi Kusi, what then, what that?
There they am Penisika. I tell my baby son and they say, John Mahama, Usike.
When you know,
Wadaroma. me say everyone about na John about him
na such a person from Germany mama we na 12 million Ghana cedi nwanwa
me pacho
Obama in 2008 already found of over $700 million. Or the year campaign may be kai or said declare. In the year now, politicians says he can only know him because we know their pay, we know their 4-year tenure.
Yes, and no, na me make us say
it's so bad for us.
In politics, it's can only receive funds. Said you okay me for,
but they don't.
Onya free him. Same with that. What do you must say na kai? Entina make us say, wo mu nyina no esu mu si.
It's free ni bottom. Or sponsors.
Our sponsor, na kwache asemesi wo
be
say na minya akase
otro
say na ya de tim wo Ghana
Adriana ba ohun
eza make us bedu mo so ebi besi
oh ye de yame adom we are guided nti enye hu
za mu Oscar
oh ben ha ho
mu benya no he
oh eja ye be call amanfo ho asero mo mama yesika na dia ye aduma but on say since your mama ntimi nche the source of his income no kwa dey make say e free your mama ho na mum I want to use this opportunity na ma sound a word of caution to the NDC for no omo delegates any food soldiers no omo haya adwene omo ye didi sika ni omo anim ahokyere wo omo anim didi ni ade yesramo John Mahama nipa ba ko for we 12 million Ghana cedis ache amamo to mum yenya ya so
oh evidence
Adriana ba de woni kro we mu ana
o me wa ha
now they want to say 40 delegate bia or my delegate bia 40 Ghana cedis and the number about 370 delegates 370,000 delegates okay what I'm saying we are simple mathematics okay I don't go cry with me na enti Adriana ba
na mane wo monsa no
about no mokoto ye no John Mahama nko nya contest nko meka sa ansem na okay ka say yem prepare and overload there wasn't any contest he went unopposed eti wa call unopposed na wanya 98% now the wa eto jiwa
kodobonsu
Adriana ba wa unim kodobonsu anko contest bi Adriana ba me use platform we na men kai Ghana for unim say enne exactly 8 years. You call demonstration. About 4 year demonstration. Ghana dum so. And exactly 5 years. In fact, 8 years. In fact, adebia Ghana for ye kaya itimi share ebufuo share yaw kese na nyame adom saa dum so yi na ado amambu ama ya ba ye hu dum so biom. Obekaya be 1 month ago 2 months ago ni you can say ye duma siesie nti ye ba be load shed me ba Adriana ba
just that's
say load shed ni ade when was the last time who experienced a 12-hour lights out
na me say
when was the last time I experienced a 12-hour lights out you fire no go Adriana ba
12 hours they work can you 12 hours
and I make a choice 12 hours
within 2 hours time wait me do be 4 times
no cre no dey me no nya sad dia and a problem a local problem na buy man this is but what Adriana ba me come Adriana ba me ba
don't say kasa be bia na
John Mahama say you prepare handing over no eso na me wo somebody who why assemblyman that why MP that what you funny na nto as an MP and minister o sevu we are your ma obi bia your friend dey as Russia anamewa
ye beba ho
o da bi minimum say ye beba ho for that years now what in our parliament for more than 12 years John Mahama you never open won't mean be one car about S Gracia da and then because you are so desperate what to say the populist and I say Ghana for workers as guys you want to stand on it now odi eno ba be campaign yes John Mahama for policies bra enra me could see John Mahama there is nothing new at John Mahama it was only Nsema Ghana for kika about was say what minister so you remember so don't worry
policy
sa nyoma no kwa na say John Mahama wants to capitalize there be any when you get a platform as especially a presidential candidate unya platform say now it is more or less an opportunity for you to
reveal to Ghanaians the kind of policies open say oh yeah what they ba to the be out me ba ku bitum ni ade who said there Dr. Bawumia etaye ni nyoma say bi na was say oh yeah hwe say the nanado etaye omunyoma say bi na was oh yeah but onka
say the
Alantramantin perfect Tramantin Otaye onyabia obo say ehonum no de aba African free trade then no waka na ya that is what we mean by we MPP having the men. What I say, but not people who not Jomama unya opportunity. You just have to go and denigrate the government to just make you hey Jomama we saw you. Or so about corruption. Hey Mr. No Oba, the first case I person or Dihu Juma Airbus Airbus scandal. The Atamos Eman say Uncle to plana or could be a scanibino. We are now about Jibril Kanazui. So contractor now or man of Fort expedition no on years and we are was our bus branding near the Adenina. So these are the cases I person or no Jomama with ye and there be more or less in some womb directly. These are the things I mean some womb directly. All investigating and on my we are and sana Yabeka so okay then Jomama may have that credibility. Yami Adom 2024 he's not going to win. But Oyebema Panoa he should tell Ghanaians what should be done in terms of the issue of the Airbus government official one. We are Wasanka Jibril Kanazuidian. Or the only these two pay or to me catch a Ghanaians. Any acquire obesi first or acquire a bed.
But this is watching Shintia dear first year about to just send to Swabeba.
Oh yes.
What is asking to? Because I dear betting to Quebec home.
I can't the usual thing in Ghana. If it's all cast and talk on the sanity, normal all free a trotro near taxes now. I mean, say a tissue see now, obviously, on me into a visual kakra every bed, every baho. By the way, Sakratana eba out, say ye tisson. Ye na ye may be a free buy. And your minister hot now because a free a buy hot. What I say, a GPIT for now, so transport operators for now, or more than a free buy that they are going to reduce it by 10%. What I say, at the country, I say, Abano, any or more, Ama, or more, yes, Nina, and then they say, Yamiadum in the coming days, and in the coming weeks, and in the coming months, no, poor no air, but from feather. Now, on my side to me at Tosa, ama Yamiadum, Yakwa could pay baby and I war, and Sana yetimi Urasa or how we increases Nina by 80. I don't know when you are ACC, no, ye na yenum. Let her know if you are mumpeni for, and me or Gidia when Yamimu say, no matter how. They will deal with it because if you are moving for example, say 5 cedis are now you will pay around 4 cedis 60 pesos, 4 cedis 50 pesos. One will say that in this day. It is a maybe from tech Airbus or I mean 5 cedis are over 4 cedis 50 pesos. O Chrome 2 cedis are. They say over to say 1 cedi 80 pesos. It is no manona. Ya pese it's here for so the issue no omu say. Yatete so nti omokọ a omonhwe na omuni adriver for no mo omontan ko bebre ena dodo na so AI na efri mate for no yate sui a petrol for so aba for me a omu na hu say yate sui because mo increase mo first no basically because of petrol.
Okay,
it is nyame adom na say petrol no ba form na say ene mo mpanimfo e de communicate aba say monte so by 10%. I think say they will do the needful. Maybe OGD said drivers no any mate no omubedi no kwa amaye. Adriana, but it is only a byway. MPP a bank one a abaya sebi. Otimi regulating market no. Using the market itself, the competitiveness of the market. Na kasa itimi regulating market no maybe be because say they say fata amaye na. Nti Adriana ba me OGD say sam to kwana e TCC no. NC bebre ema amanfo ho enye de entro mo. Na Adriana ba me de manusie no. Adia ba kwa me pese obi ati ase ne say 2024 election is going to be election of records. Election of the records. Yami adom me ogidi e wonya no.
Ghana for this ade ne adwuma.
Omo de adwuma papa. Hey, you see the Ghanaian we knew yesterday is not the Ghanaian today. And Ghanaians are very discerning, especially when it comes to political issues. Omo ye very discerning. Eti omo hwe nyoma we ina e de kansem what I say na yamencha de me wo gidie
ɛwɔ makomam ɛsan wɔ gide wɔ nyame mu sɛ before 2020 aduana aba we will come and sit here before 2024 yɛbɛba abɛtena ha inshallah and we speak different about the economy mepacho your president every ne yekoso any ina or the bible and Quran aduana ba just maybe also so be catch am say won just o catch am say won jib sa books ni ndi
o man peni ba book ni mu kwa da o jina ni won kura na okuta bible as a Quran won kwa wanyini
anya no kre emenya sa woni nipa ni woni nipa ni aduana ba
na ma sa mo ka say ye nkura na yete
eti nyame adom when it gets to that
wo so no wanyini
anya no kre
kofo dia wo so no wanyini
me ne onya adwene
Mills dia wo so no wanyini
oya nyame sum ni pa
Mahama dia wo so no wanyini
one dia metimi ade
akufo ado dia wo so no wanyini
anya no kre da
aya tradition
anya no kre
aya norm
me ne onya adwene
and wo so wo follows
me ne onya adwene ena nka anya nyame suro so no mo di bu man na
ade so
nka maybe things would have been worse more than this enti aduana ba yemfa abasobode e momo benifo no especially kufo mo ne
dabi o yanka setio asem na wo dia base okuta bible ntino na me kasa wo dia nko
yebeko because constitution no sabi omo enact constitution no omo ni marikonti a omo de share wo say
antoa gobia amfana no kada
enye no kre because antoa no wunjindi nti ade tine wo say wo koso ade mu a wunjindi say wo de kwa akodi wo de kwa akoso a
hwe wan ka so munyini
ade tine wo say wo koso ade
ebeku no
Christopher NG Antoine ye nkremofo ye NG Antoine why should you kremoni and
Christopher Antoine
omunjindi
nkremofo Antoine
ye njini
ko be ya makremoni bia bodua ma na usisi a
what I say eti sa no aduana ba eti se sa de a ye wodi de wo nyame mu se
bodua no
ye wodi de wo nyame mu se 2024 before 2024 election the economy will normalize nyoma beba from prices of goods and services beba from say the car the asha say beba from say the petrol for the area beba from ye we are beba make sure how sustainable it to be ye we are na ya ba on records na ye hu record ba ko kra NDC for ebetimi agina so akasa omability MPP ne yahwe
na alasa na Abubakar na wati ne nka no mira kwako so ntwi elda kokwe je nimbo ati so ti ofi kuma wubo do mase o chia no paper o so ti abusia yanya mbo afo nka to enyam na ye ba ye beto aso
He wants. What's the wedding easy? Oh, you butu ankasa. Wakaka.
Messi, Lufat na wajima where you?
Hey, malaria drew Lufat. Jama wedding where your hospital.
Sister, where I imagine there. Few hours to my wedding. Na Missy Semu huma yeshepe. Linketa was mikuniya. My husband is sick.
Hey, Jama Tonodo. Na bazi no yen.
What's the water tested positive for malaria?
No, na been to one for ambulance na one.
Up ambulance. It's not a bicycle.
Hey, no, nyasi from Kakabo.
No, kick. Many wedding gonna me make up nina. Sometimes.
That's right.
Nearest pharmacy. So one meji Lufat.
Entrance pharmaceuticals for one malaria druna.
Inyo. No ye na wanter. Mukuno china nenadri. A brante pa.
No kuniso. No pona waka that you may kiss the bride. If you want to show day.
No, donna. Man, no, you don't.
Indeed, woman malaria and cold to them. Lufat. Malaria drop test for malaria before treatment. FDA ashesa ejede inkrato ajatum se eye.
Abi national lande afeya bejia cash na bedwa afi na madwuma no be koso ankasa
bema na wo inflation achini fa botom se potos no anyway ni age sa no ade wo dilo to bia na
masa choko ya uhia sisia ne Abi national
unia abi dien
ani eye Abi national sikakrabia foforo wode oboso obia hwe wo mo won hyehyeye papa ebeso wo ha nyina no na botre wo boni ahohare a wode ye adwuma no masa wani beji keke
enti for me Abi national for yi
omo we adum kejeti ha ya woni ajakum dan na di ntwa ni mu chale na odi mrika kwa he
only me how do you know my problem Intiko Abi National Krabata be a ben one ne. No who sika krabia musumpa. So once and bisabia. Fraying Sia. I was 0322 002 922. Abi National. Basum GSA for. I was sika kremu.
Eyo wadi yayo. Mimi diabo. Enku say, and you make one can of the show with damage be papa. Cost of see, Manu be and could then now be what that's about was so dinty. Was it a to baby pharmaceuticals, cough of syrup, power dear baby. Into one thing, you will cough baby and the bank to fill a brown, now cough of child, Nansudia and Kodak and a brown bush, so SCA, and now cough of adult dear and 24 general and cough of family. What could you do it to baby pharmaceuticals? So one cough of Nansa, no one to work. Oh, doctor, cough of syrup, send your million what does you do? Must you
say, I didn't quite to him. I just say, yeah.
Anti-pharmacist, me fear for United Power. Nanson, ye won't cacran say, me eat it payeno. Kata, ni winning necessity. Me banon so when I'm mad, why you say boho. Na med yet. As me need to 12 from Edia should be a bit jam as well. A jamega, ga, na one share. Me fear dear, what do you? Me didn't so fear dear, a yeduchem. Into way say, in free fear. Would you? And free baby idea. None your drooping.
David, Ora, Tipaya dear, Wabajuma Musa pharmacist no. Me hubia. Ain't it to wasi? O wife Tipaya Nazakataka home. Good. And no obey here. Entramor D. And I was so Benedipayan so Amana Yembre. Okay. And no obey here. Entramol and Casa. And I would know see a job ga. Alright, that is tension, headache, or migraine. Okay. We'll be here. Entramol plus. With the na no fear for no said the matrama will not prepare.
Entramo D, ne Entramo Plus no, Enyagro, a tutti payasi de good, is a Uber now, Natia power there, and your was a
FBI said, Jadian Cat, we are just to say, yeah.
Uyam ayekro anase emu kekao uhia amuzu ke uyam tutu anase emu samfono uhia amuzu ke wayase ya oya anase uwa fichikro mu haw uhia amuzu ke heba mixture ebi wo heba shop bia mu frɛ 0247 776743
Abusafo ya wase se watwe ye na ya di abofo ka to ha ya jinkwa 101 na ka safidie so amen komira kwaku su entwi ho na mimusa akra se efiempo ete se yedi ka bisa garden boy na kan bebusa ni yo na mira yanhwe John Dramani Mahama se wo ba president ya ono the lean government the be yaduma empempi ubati Ghana for ye yedo do asaya manswafo nko a wahanye akire ebiso omudoso ama adwuma no kontem beblebe odi obi eka na nsan de Ghana fo bi kan even aban mu mpedifo bi kwa ka se aban no sododo wanted the size no so no nze beblebe Mahama so oba or the system ministers ye bisa how possible sa Ghana betimi de aswafo dusia aye adwuma ebiewo as gracia so bad, it will be a thing of the past, and also how possible. Mira yentio.
And won't say me drew Nkokra staging. Senkamete same rantia, and me as my country president Mahama Nkoko Federal move. Sir, I'm telling you, but because of my age, na me pese enipa mami or that dignity, and he. Me to me bupa pese me tiani na so and some benayana president Mahama okatre ye intolerant to the level say o person which say wundi president krada adwene neutral medical can say in governance there is nothing like experience. Okay, what we need is creativity enema aprofono ko womanim na no kra no in free one source. It's not from the president, it's from the entire political stakeholders across board. Opposition here, because elsewhere say I bind the policy ba na say Nenkrofo no bitimi tutia no. It happens all the time. And so the entire me use that word intolerance and they say who criticizing the penani bofu undi president that you don't know what goes on there. No say you obedi president that obedi president no edibida. And the experience no unyaye no and the trans lose over 1 million votes. Ghana. And today na no person okay. System ministers say so it's possible.
Sir.
It's possible, but the president in the sole prerogative of assembling or the team, no, it's not from the president only. Party leadership, account. Even crow, ufritsu ne hemfu no nyina wo hand in it. But ni nyina stop at the doorsteps of the president. Okay. And yeah, me no, omfanto nchen no omunka yen.
Say be by consultation.
Oh, no, so kasa ne kasa no, he was vivid. Wan kasa nkwa. May you say. Here any government appointed about 6,000 people across board. Nipa sign an average human being. Nipa sign a unimo.
Okay.
Opa Adriana Okofia. For book next church nipa uno manya encounter o trust wo mo a ufisa wo ne uno mbetuma bopo bi aye bibi nipa say na onimo but president no power to appoint about 6,000 people wo mo boa no DC is 275 and there encounter board directors and other areas are nyina ye appointment from the president enti yesre wo mo so munya kwan a Asama President Mahama, it's not new to us. Eden na yanti MVJ ukufo.
Okay.
Ofa banya no our transfer. Eden wo kan. Wa me pa ya chewo.
O me pa chewo.
Eden it is President Mahama.
Also wo echi ade ohun no nkombesu na aso ade ohun.
Sir, ena upon everything. We don't have ceiling. Apart from cabinet ministers now up to 19. You need ceiling biao. But inka asrewa ohwe ne ho no anweni bu but san ye no kroma this ikura appointment hwe bra ya hwe obi kura ya appointed the minister na okwa ne krom fotimi ha adoa na kama
asofo ka ba kwa hemfo ka ba ko busia
ni akotra ho enti omo interview crowd they will be intimidated by this crowd enti won to no bo na power no a open no ma onye that desperate because wabedi bida we know what it takes.
Why desperate one?
Oh yeah, desperation. O kasa na ne desperation anka no fom no enye bebre sa o ensem ni bi ho a waka me mpese me repeat. Ma dika kan ba ko se o say infrastructural development and other things now. When any government does it, it's an exercise in mediocrity.
Okay.
And I believe that. Say we are buying now we see hospital. Say Mercy Hospital. It's like we do Beko school. Now we show Obusia. And no, Yemfang Cherubia. Your responsibility as government to give us these infrastructures. And to say when you are Nase o ba me child Grasham. No president can do that. Say me buy me child Grasham. And no a constitutional provisional. It takes time. And will be suje gracia onye from so because one kasano we a partaker of that goodie. Udibi our can no wa paso say gracia no waji wedi. Na ubedi empo awie na wasa be gina wa be ka say me ba me twem. Omu play with our intelligence idea one growth me emma one yiri ho na pressure e kosro. They should calm down. Na governance no de on be ye na Abranti MP Nasara coordinator ni dinu nya familiar. The name. Okay. Na or can be before post COVID and those things. COVID no buy no. Asa de near papa ba. Russia Ukraine e dey na yesu free. Ye were bro ha. I say buying a boy near dear bro near me decon flour. Ye wheat flour near pe. enti ya to ye bibia egu kofa brofo de enti nka covid ba ye a any Russia Ukraine ye tabia yisu ani ye bo mu din say no na
yesu ya bibia mfirimo
ebi enti nka covid time ne ade no sesen ke ye hu die bro because uko la Côte d'Ivoire omudu pen no banana flour and normally. And yet, then ye yentmin for body. Ye covid ye yentmin for brunya pano. Near be a pesse a brofudia umdinuani here. Etika Russia Ukraine by year. A brood year 90 days so. Now a bind their yen policy say. The whole Ghana baby a dear bray ye be a mess support. You may be a mains marketing board. Naya to Bruno. Naya state near a bropano. Enke ye di ekwafi nke refi wheat flour no nanka ye di heavy tax atos our flour no so na discard break government no so that we will shift from that pan no atri ye ketrema so ye di ne sa because ye yankola no na pan no nye komo no na ye for the privilege na ja obi asore a ye ba ye anke bia modi wiokuku tea Lipton the milk near their one such ye nyina ye come na sa taste na yakofa esueno minko bebia in the world that matise ye advertise foreign dish sebia onam Europe bebi ni ye kan pizza food for the Italia Ghana a Janibo Crebudina, Minyaso, a restaurant, I will bet him a pronounce so now. What a bamboo shoot, bamboo, ye di bamboo. Nay, you mean Tiasie. And think ye did talk any idea, Nanka ye local dishes, no costro, but ye, I told you, would you war bay fool? Omo mufufuni na ya baifu
as would ya wo bay
oh you know as say ye jais ha to ato na President Muhammad enti ya na medini ho ya ne say he's been there, he know what it takes to be president and what not na wa lose power na to me the influence to regain it no eden papa enti brana champo asma o kan ya na o ma aisha na tare ma no be yi hu no Saban wait me in kiti. Ghana for any development in the editor above. So more the necessary respect. Kasachre Ghana for year. Because NDC ni betwama NDC. MPP ni betwama NDC. And as I kuimi no. Emu bien who are bit me nya. Onon kwa ni call supporters ebetwa bama no. Yes. New entrants no ho. And floating voters so ho. Now, floating voters, no, appeal to those who will speak well. Ebe kan asemu asebi emu dro. And yes, ube jina waka se mecha es gratium. Said ye Kufuado kasa bebri no ye to abama ntuzu be kasa sa na ya to abama. Debi
Kufuado kasa bebri.
Oh, na say ntemo kan ne doso.
Miracle ko
usechi. Sa strategy no. And a President Mahama fi say obey speaking to her untonable no refining the news ni not the oba obey a backed by document you bet my refer no to na metwem no de yem fan
so oba all the abandoned projects on initiating new projects bia your hospital say wo schools go bebrebe
and na make us say onye bibi sonko bia because a champion dia o sisi konfonochi a Akufo-Addo bebugu ye no enye a champion botom sika o eye mine sika enti say no de wo ma ya ahu say ye say sika dodo na oba na de wo ho no obeya so be it because Akufo-Addo ebaye say ni schools a o si iblo o ma to bebre so enoma bebre sa hospitals kumawu Nkawi any other hospitals now almost see no for minamoni adeno and this in the initiative project now and that is the good side of governance because enye obi abotom ska enti se oba na se project no anye na si hwa ne se ya ebede na yakoye nim and that is where ema yakọ akire bibre oka nsem bibre oye campaign so oka say aduane a nkola yidi no enye ye ko school no in the 70s no and early 80s no na de bia ye complaining at school aduane ho de bia na ba bia ye da complaining kuma wu ye yi luvese wo ho nyina ebi wo kra boys ni hye da bobɔ no ni edem ko si say ye kra de mfienso from form 1 to upper 6 mfienso ye side aduane no na ye wo aduane kwan bi ye friend no gas oil uhwemu ahu anim eno an ye di ya ye de tete wo yo enti se ne nkola ne di aduane bi na ofi se nye na bia na wo papa wo skanti omo so eso aduane gu chobo so mu di brew na madam fo ba ko ne ma me di fufuo ba fufuo ne nipa ba 20 timidi chance be sei na edi wi a no ye huru no o ma me adno akokon kwai na odi momoni ato ne ye sa tizi no na ma me so every weekend odi beba no odi aduane no buy it me bosses na ma me na ye no fe se o yesa enti the affluent no omo bo omoma na yen enobafo no ye ko school no ebre pa some na sometimes ye kra de na sa toilet soap ne bi ni ho enti omo anu omo dware sunlight no omo na yes kafo that time no yetimi ko school na be dru ba bia ye dru ne enti se wo be gina wa ne pesi na bui ye ko nwirem ko bu awobe ne yawe unim paste, unim toothbrush. We have suffered. But eno omai butu. In the 80s, 83, eden na young yellow corn. Ebie dibe 50 years na omo import brain. Na ye dibia noam, omo so honom dia noam ama. Obia no wo school, secondary school then bia hu. Enti President Mahama should not pretend as if Ghana was bia ne hoye so special and I say it's been like this. And what we pray is say nyina put our hands on the wheel na ye nkakra obia ye ne famu de ne ye change your attitude and o man be kwani na de o mo keka ne de eye ntoato a
me wura kwaku entwo usu watene nka no na so garden boy he kasadema NDC akra fie boko de
Ejana baboko last week the nanya boko but
la pressure so la pressure so
hey
and I don't know how was it like on them
Ejana make us a difficult moment because almost in the all regions the constituencies and this election it seems that the attention of the nation was on Asawase constituency. And me who media house are now onio. Obia so live reporting and ye delay post na antime ansha about one on them e was because in Yamana bedru them about to nanke was say 7 now she say 11:30 and also a bo we more be 4 o'clock on insurance out more than 2 hours and also sad disruptive puno and Andrew say 15 electoral areas and I say ward and enter mabane and we no na a kobo almost 11 to 12 o'clock midnight until if central mob so at least 1 o'clock oh mati yes so adimu yankopon de pe amaye until never say 1 o'clock then that this street carnival na from you know honorable Monteka heading for the principal street of Asawase and then echo fee but I am shishe ewom aba ye secret ballot today wow ye agent and answer we party sympathizer and answer we aspirant no untimi se wo po enka say you have won because nipa na to aba na secret wo and na okoshe ballot box no oni yankopon ko antim entino na enye de I am shishe be dem baba now so say we had 1063 votes on Honorable Monteka Inyaye na it's a true reflection of Adiana ye anticipate say be dem ebehu because about no various posters and media houses cry eka say margin and I said the difference no enye wide sir but yes we call grounds engagement no you who say the grounds are favorable for Honorable Monteka because contests are okay. Out of the 23 elected constituency executives, 18 are in support of Honorable Monteka, and 5 and the other camp. And when we go out to sell our messages, you could not delegate. It makes our message now a better easy. And the DBS make us say, who candidate in the person of Honorable Monteka Mubaraka. not even as was or a presidential candidate based on his achievement. You bet my campaign money win easily.
Accusations are not yet proud to elections. Ayababinya sa overwhelming results. You bet you say mere accusation, and I said not be an iota of truth to be a woman. A beer Becca say, you were Muntaka, the lessons.
For lessons, any allegations there. Metimaka say a nipa bien 100%. Will be a the F or a negative side. Entimin can say Muntaka is above for internal on any negative side. Your core grounds and yet see the other company allegations, wild allegations. Your core grounds yet the time I caught here radio so against Honorable Muntaka. And you say we have to map strategy. And that strategy and they say we should have good communicators. Omono responded to the negative allegations now now so they are going to campaign based of message on hope, any achievement, any nyomapa Honorable Muntaka yede. Ayama Swasi constituency. And Mecca Bibi Badia Bakwaka so say religion play a key role because Aswasi constituency almost predominantly Islamic constituency and Muslims now a war no. The door now so because of Muntaka Ejuma or in defending the Islamic religion our parliament no and my imams chiefs the door now so eba out ebe you so influence just to make sure Honorable Muntaka beside I go back to Ghana's parliament. And the negative side of accusations in the Yafa, yet is said, if you say Honorable Muntaka M1 a month for a core grounds and based on data and everything on Grano. May Honorable Muntaka data, I remember say Ghana or MPBA, what your school fees, I choose scholarship at Muntakada. Yes, we can speak to the figures because Honorable Muntaka fees in what 7.5 million Ghana cedis. That's Enkanisika 75 billion. Yes, obey 75 billion. And also a startup capital or the Amayama menum, our Mudi Juma, and Kwanso 1.2 million Ghana cities, and also 12 billion. And also a youth wing and also every ward be 250 million. So Monfanye Juma multiplied by 15. And Tinona Yashene Juma now all yenum. Yes, every word for you to wing, so almost one find startup capitals. Until now, Nejumana Wayano, easy say a bidina Ejumano Sayede, I compare Ayede, Amano. Yenim said Bibia as well as a constituency Idruno, ye call Congress, and I say Becca say call battle. The war that lies ahead of us in 2024. Okay. Until let me use this medium and for appeal enter NDC as well as a constituency. Emma from the both camp, camp of Honorable Muntaka and the camp of defeated aspirant Honorable Mubarak Masawudu. And for an appeal to Muyina say, Yako battle, young come move and face the war in 2024. Okay. Because ye na Bosumba Kupe and Yosum no politically, and that's what the NDC party. If say yet me boa closer ranks. Nipa bia ya ye ne bono no me garden boy I'm hoping say nipa na ed beteme because I'm a communicator for Honorable Muntaka ebia 1 or 2 words bia ma use no anyo obi de ebia de bia ma twerɛ o social media page anyo obi de I'm pleading on their behalf say in the interest of what the NDC party no this is internal contest atwam so na me so nipa bia wa use allegations and as a worker fee be the etiameno from the bottom of my heart. Me so me de acheni pano. Okay. And a mesa stress ye na enkambom sabre ye win ye ni kampo Muntaka kampo Mbarem Masaudu. Ye na fanche ne enkan so we have only one camp which is the camp of John Dramani Mahama. Okay.
Yo. Wo brain into wo say elite. My mama benefit of the doubt. Yellow Mahama saying this for MPP for prepare will hand over notes. Also about the state ministers and a Bayajuma. How possible? At the end, one dear, what this is going to be as obey president to be fan handing over notes and fan to Nino Yentu Sima Bese. All
right. John of Mamma Memfa, Aquina, and Tieni Power. Ghana for my to or for the case. So, Ghana by no cray, me boss studio na me papa in his earlier submission. Say, wanted the John Dramani Mahama Ekaya Nase. If so say or tia say there, then Ebia Wafano Hadrin say, Tan or John Dramani Mahama, he will not speak to truth and fact. The TN say, politics na ye, no, there is dynamism in the politics. It was a in Sakra, ye ate me about politics at any time. Ye na Bekaya, there are some policies being your maybe a ye encanino, and ye case ye beya. And more politics any amaya ye them ye chichino to the extent say workers a John Dramani Mahama and Kamani Babium and a new coin say or Casacra at the Fagana no justify the fact say it be like a time hunu and our town because you are not speaking to fact. Article 71 holders office I am more as Graciano John Dramani Mahama as obeyed obitrim one num to was say COVID a buyer. A tray answer. Yes, COVID at tray say, ye mine sicano. I was say your born by. Now, or mine sicka was say your born by. Or sicka do na ye ex gracia na ye chiana sabi. Ye caught an answer who say a son for sonny the Indian for super be edimo memogana. And now Obersha, a buying echo IMF say Okopeska, Nina anything, Sikana or was a sea and any day, and soon die, intimate boy alcohoma, and boy economy. And a year is 3 years to say there are some investments where in the name of S. Gracia. I don't know NDC party in Adrian say a waste and born mine. But they say offer the wage bill of this government and I say every government. Sika Eko aye de ministers. Sika Eko ministers in S every year it says more S. Gracia. And yes, Kaketwa. Ebia Anka me council as Graciano, as I reduce the number of ministers na ewa, automatically your wage bill so better. And IMF. IMF. And you know, Adena John Dramani Mahama Ekan is an antidote to save the economy from falling. Because the number of ministers President Nana Danko Kufuor and his first year, we ministers in Kwabaku 110. Obia edge monthly salary. Obia wa allowances are odi. Obia so timitu kwine to represent the government on any ground. Obia sa wa bodyguard. Obia wa gardener. Obia sa wa accommodation in free. All these benefits in the Ekasa, we will review them. Say be a bit me service idea magana on my mono. Intino Article 71 holders are not different from Professor Bia Wakoye.
Or also person fashion wakasa. Magana 40 say when wakanti yamana kwenya no sa me
John Abajon Dramani Mahama president kwa say obesi community senior high school so si ananse wensi enti yesa amfo na training to us
okay
anka ebia o Ghana for ebobi na ebo no wenti me ndi so a no wa refer me to ebia abra na o pese odi president o ebobi wenti me anyede wenti me end so and the meeting what you say and the meeting ma benefit of the doubt but based on the current happenings in there Untimin kase ebia nada na President John Dramani Mahama dada because any aban bia obaba beto aso after Nana Danko Kufuor no that government is going to be in critical economic situation because Abraham enna me no kase inflation edda so etiba from
crime na munya no pipi na nto aso nyina
na se ni anka de beti na yi na yewu yama MPP to aso dibana sanka de beti na yi na yewu anka yefu na skeleton mbese
okay
but ye hope say abra 1983 akom esi ye no yenya President John Rawlings through the PNDC or interventions be ahead it means every economy ye now so ye nim say since I said the inception of democracy memu Ghana yenya president when it comes to economic figures why ya de John Dramani Mahama Abra, I was talking about 2011. Abra, no, the head of the economic management team. We recorded an economic growth of 14%.
Okay.
What you say? Until the trajectory is there, the achievement is there. And it's how say John Dramani Mahama obetima save Ghana economy na amana Until in saving the economy no, it was said sikebia eye waste bia no ye de uliki. Sikana eye waste aye tuguno. One leaky says Ghana, it affects your expenditure because Ghana we keep on introducing new taxes. Now so Ghanaians don't pay taxes. You bet me the taxes 1,000 about now so Ghanaians will not pay. okosha be 2-3% when you taxes. So revenue generation form. We were all anticipating say anka Abra John Dramani Mahama every office no or intervention will be a to fango. Emma ye the 10 sankofa food baby a bula na yetu fango no mensa eka meka chefo enyera ena ntome. That fa a baby a bula na yetu fango no anka I say eno kwansi kana if you obano etime boa Ghana esevu Ghana economy. Now so John Dramani Mahama tamono were discovery no of that Ebola no now so wanya hunska Nana Danko Akufo-Addo nanya scam. Onwa Nana Danko Akufo-Addo and his last State of the Nation address ebie nanum tom eka say sika abani nsem since our be president 881 billion Ghana cedis. Now you say to whom much is given, much is expected. Hospital saying no wasi, school saying no wasi. We have a president in his time. On say okuta economic messiahs and economic gurus. Now so for the very first time, almost a year second quarter new. Unim said District Assembly Common Fund MI. Unim said MPs Common Fund MI. Unim said and now menu kase napko akwesi say. Almost salaries are came akatwa come napko more than 11 months. And now menu ka even napko coordinators or me MPP party ma aya form adwuma no aban entwa omoka enti scan no ode yeden enti da de bia make us on say slay queen. Unim slave queen Janaba. Oh yeah. Slave queen.
More Samira Dino.
Me boy Samira Dino. Says I don't know bia. Na baby and make us bag na. Maybe anything na waju na ko. Na me I'm
highly disappointed.
No be person
I'm making this happen.
For no Samira
Adriana, but you have not been fair.
Slave queen.
Samira no
manim pie free no way. Because omo de yakatch omo say omo go mokwa bumbo ba mi adi na mo say no mbo ni yiri di na mo say. Ma no boy and I say work for Johnny. I'm giving you and I say Adriana ba for Johnny. Debbie, the fact that or na ye di ko man kan so omo yakatch omo say.
Yeah, be still. Me kan ko ba ka say bia ba. Debbie, who pet.
Oh, I don't know Johnny. You have to withdraw.
Okay. Rebecca Kufa.
Bepacho Yusu Lodina Mahama.
Lodina Mahama.
And they uncle to us way.
Janaba. Whether you not swallow the whale or the whale swallow. The Okan Midina Sosa. Was a slave in a young Quaimawa. Magin Kuano Menede. About one time in a butcher. So one says, I also mamma said, no one of coffee slave queens. To say, Wabru Nimon, or me young Quaima no question Quaino, Magin Kwa, Sana none of the one go for the NMP Momotio. He almost shop policies or more the be papa, I did be air bus air, I didn't air babes economy now. Okosha Asia, Sa Adian, and your papa. Sana slave quine.
I didn't know the buyer and your papa.
Adriana Bay. Now only Omemuana Nanabko papa. Now planting for food and jobs, papa and Keda so echo Burkina Kratuma to Seba. Planting for food and jobs, papa and Kamez, a bro, yet also crabby every Ivory Coast and Burkina. Oh, I we are speaking to facts and data. Oh, yeah, say.
Do yes for
me, yes for me. Dear John Dramani Mahama Ekan and Rano. Yes, Shagana for you now ebo ese. There is hope going forward with the NDC. Proposals Nino Mapa Washisha and now can a watermelon. A binise oba obe oma subse banks are ya collapse unjustifiably. Obe make sure say banks no obesa consolidated that banks no. Now, why sir, I release you or move banks alliances item ama yejuma or say Shagana for you now, say to Abapa Emma John Dramani Mahama Galam say excavators baku 500 and no say a two for Wiemu say Edos of you say that's what Flagstaff House now one there the government of John Dramani Mahama say oba more amuye galam say oh manson kwanta more amuye galam so boas more amuye galam so prestige and the entire nation mo excavators na yesizi ene yehu bebi awo no yebe make sure say bed yebe hwehwe excavators na ede amamo edwana ba uye media man menim say ebepem ne amer swale hu uwo no eda so ehye wutirim she Ghana for yina bo say yebe commission and yebe set up a commission no my a detailed investigation into the death of Ahmed Swale edwana ba mo the more treatment I ma media for hwe Caleb Kuban of City FM ye dey phone esa kotocha no hwe modern Ghana for reporters too ayato ma abo this all this attacks or not on the media no John Dramani Mahama so oye dem oba ebe no obehwehwem until there is hope going forward adebia akdane kanana adebia eha Ghana for no we have the secret antidote in the person of John Dramani Mahama so oba ebe oba amagana abede abeyeye.
Okay, Mira ayena so garden boy and watching kan mamenko Alhassan Abubakar eho na afra yentie no
Edwana ba 2024 be there. I tell you honestly. No, it is going to be a contest between a lame horse and a very genuine, strong, young horse.
A lame horse and a genuine, strong, energetic horse.
Lame horse ne obi a waba mbrenu. Ghana for na sum. Se ko ye hiaw, ko ye hiaw. Me pato what you say. I didn't na Ghana for catch and ko ye hiaw, ko ye hiaw because why ye bi da watena se. Watena akonya no so. Emma omahu dwumadi a wadie no dwumadi no ebon kankan ko. Eno na Ghana for the better fenu. You see what our brothers sisters in NDC omon pese omo bekai. And then they say no problem. In 2024 MPP is going to present a fresh candidate. Obi a ontina akonya no so da. Obi a nanim emba ballot paper no so da. That is the candidate MPP is going to present, whether Alan, whether Bahomia, whether Kennedy Japan, or whoever wins our primary. That is the person we are going to present. And that person is going to lean on the Obaka Kotre Nanado Jumedie Papa Awadi Amagana. I don't know about Unibibi. We economy no eton chanya on. Also yeah, even the government itself, ya dear to say economy no ya problem and we have been so candid to the Ghanaian people. We economy no ton chanya. But come say there is no other thing. NDC bet me catch so biti MPP. And that is what they are afraid of. Be bien ho. And the only thing NDC for many abria or more home pie and say AC or your primary cinema for them to capitalize on it. Say against us to 2024. So they don't see inshallah AC MPP. We know what we will do.
Me say I don't know about capitalize.
My party are banning constituency regional national executives from declaring your support near their day our radio so and other stuff. Okay. After November 4th, that is where I mean many will be doing komo. I'm one who say NDC they have no message and na empire yebo ina so mo fa John Mahama mre because John Mahama you be a the yabono first one from Yasabu no second one from eti oyobi a yenye de yensuro no eti medwana ba the woman na say His Excellency former President John Dramani Mahama why so desperate na ni abre why desperate eti onu amukura wadi kan Canada or say election drew a to the bia ya na wa twantro onu amu he said it on a political stage or say election drew na wo koy campaign ya na wa twantro afam na watwa control ache nkofo no ama o mate akire na o de ani na ne se o de wi ana wa win elections ebia na wa start no ebia na John Dramani start no he's no different before 2012 elections oya campaign o ka say omonto abama no na mum nyame adoma ne president the ministers obete so obaye with even 10 regions John Mahama minister is 86.
even 10 regions, John Mahama minister, they were 86.
Okay.
Now, Akufo-Addo, currently as we speak, 16 regions. The minister says, Eduanaba.
So when I hear you, Mama, into
the minister says 86. So now, what are you telling us? What you say? Oh no, yeah, no, yeah, now we accept. We accept. No, Eduanaba.
2012, and compare 2024. Now, so far, one for 2016, I comparison to 2017 of another.
Eduanaba. Oh, one thing is that the MPP, Ananado Danko Akufo-Addo, Eyo Ubia, Namembu no, Utie de Ghana for Eden, Eka, no, de Ayejuma. Ubekaya, the first time, or appointed 110 ministers. Actually, and a Ghana for a Kasaye, and also Yomakasa Mate, and Okoyede, Okoteso.
921 and I said,
but eti yes, I know, and Okoteso. He said, Yamiadum, and Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo's government is ruling around 85 to 86 ministers. Minya Yakai John Dramani Mahama say he promised before 2012 said the ministers almost no, but we saw it increased. Emma, all the CSOs but he didn't mind. Even in the year 2016 February, he even appointed ministers. Minya yes, say quattro quasi Obama ontoma
no anything.
John Mahama ye quattro qua. Oyobia, we don't have to listen to him because he has already stated it that Nyamiadom say oh ye campaign eya na wo control ehim eti me enye me wawa sa nsema okika kikani na eyentro. There is nothing truth in what he's saying. But don't forget that Ghanaians, this said that John Mahama can say, oh, Ghanaians, they are short memory. And then about we will never forget the 5 years doom so we passed through. As Ghanaians, you wouldn't feel that. Nyamia dom, Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo baye. We every doom so. We are not experiencing doom so. Ye baye no. Ye doom see and ye. Ya na ye doom see. Ye na ye doom see. I told the Bia na catch a Ghana for say, oh, yeah, baby, load shedding. Etimu, ye load shedding, ye do me see, Nyamiadom. Virtually 2 months, we saw what happened. Ya can say, you do me see, Miss Row. So see, I'm no say. What is say, Obi? I can say, like, oh, you do light one, what done by 6 hours, what done by 5 hours, what to be that? You do me see, a local fault. A local fault. A local fault. Have you now? Oh, to find him. Oh, me Judy. What is he? Now, I ask him. Oh, say, not is Swami. But say, and you may ask him. What is Swami? When was the last time I would be a and I will be a line, sir? A man for Afre, I can't just say, hey, Adriana, but you do me like this for the past 3 weeks, 1 month in Adriana, but let's be very frank to ourselves. But time now, you can't say, yeah, bedroom do me, you know, people were agitated. And I say, local problems, because let me show you. Oh, sir, we are having a lot of developments. Oh, yes, so I'm here. See, I'm in Okasi. Udru post officer. Omode machines now baby so. Omo you say baby overhead or post office near there. Nina eka interchange. Overhead or post office. Oh yes, your baby or post office. Your baby or busy crew junction. Your baby. Nina you say oh. Please, munim, mama me educate mo. Mama me educate mo. What you say? We are na mo asoma mo reporters. No, makwadwa na ba dem jimudi. Ajenkwa de mo baso amena mo je so amenkwa. Mo di enkwa mo di eyi. Abusuaku ajansen. Exactly. Aprepo ajansen ni na ye be ye. What say? So I mean, mama use be 1 minute. I mean, so I mean interchanging because it's part of communication. On so I mean interchanging na ye be 2 phases. Okay. Phase 1 and phase 2. Phase 1 ne sa interchange na ye beba be ye no run about na kasa flyovers na. But phase 2 no the adjoining roads na ye be ye. And sa flyovers na ye be ye no. No. That's the phase 2. But ye started from the phase 2. You we answer na about phase 1 also. Why? Because say runabout no, it is closer to central business district. Obia yusu ho. It is a one year adjoining roads no. 1 year ama traffic na flow. Now, would the kind of bass over by interchange now? You will have a lot of challenges over how man for. That's the reason why I started the inner roads. We are no answer. Ya buff is one, or that is the interchange now. And the flyovers. Until one who say, Yenya and Yamfa and Sayan. By the way, let me continue. Who's the form? No? And then babunu bia otie ye bia no ne wo rebeho ama NDC ene omuni communicator Garden Boy ote ha okay me mfa nka se Garden Boy ena ekasa na o kan na mom NDC machine ni na mu because omo no say omo ba studio ana ya twere bibia omo obaka Garden Boy we youth me youth ene wa ba betna radio so radio kesiese catch amansan nyina say napco egu o ka say nka egu kra dey say no dey it is a fact but o say napco pugos amboa bia nyame fa obon nchew. That is the only thing I will say for napco a buy etimia so youth mu at least anya not less than 5 years etimia so mu akra youth bebre ama ebi through napco omanya ejuma ebi through napco omatimia establish omo ho ebi through napco omatimia hwe omo ma ene wa ba begina ho kase sa no bugos
Garden Boy
sa bugos sa nyoma we na nyoma e wo say ye free daily politics planting for food a job mo aboa farmers aboa ene Ghana ye food secured no o ene wo NDC mo ba bet na ho mo say bugos project no problem yami adum 2024 be do Ghana for be dey e beto aye so
Ghana for beto MPP so Garden Boy mama o 30 seconds
Ghana ba on say de bia me ya metabu be say so store be go na to pane any blue oko store na
let just say company any blue let just say store
oh space
be efuseni sia bibi o bube o start there
na I me one pi because me nua onabo menim da say obetime propaganda say anka omodan anka nyom adwuma Edwana ba na na ko Akufo-Addo
o so mu ye phase 2 ni wiase no
enya na America amfo na chene nto aso na na ko Akufo-Addo SD aso ebebo form no enya more than 1 year ni
beto beye
da ben sika no wo ko fa ne
IMF scare ba wo
o se omo communicators akofa strategy abase ade no I say yeah, adjudicated rules now. I want change and answer it was not part of the project. It's because the project any finance menu can say for more than 1 year. They are so above from. A cathedral credit and Casabre and Sunya made Cathedral. Midamankan is not cathedral, some Nameka. A cathedral is also 30 seconds.
Get you.
Say, asoma na meka no. Se nanka meka brofo dia, ka meka se me brofo no munyedu. But eye Ghana kasa na meka. Enti se Garden Boy ka kire ni se odi me ho yawa. Mitimi redi ti ase. But brofo no ka no ena eye meka trema no emudu. Enti se Garden Boy, Mr. Rollins time, se Rollins kasa na ye NDC fo nko an ti ase. Ena se say wo masa start say John Mama kasa omunko na bitimi ama proper interpretation to that statement oye no so wo musa sa no mo de be ko a wo mo hiro mo ekwan ne da wo mo nim wo mo go
0204905655 me kwa homa so ne Ghana fo ni komo me ba che budi ni ba bia o kasa free wadaroma hello me ba che o di ni ba bia kasa free jaso Bacha wujaso. Yefo from. Me bacha udin baby a wukase free wadaroma.
Wadaroma. Your friend Junior Baumia.
Anto akrom de shekonkon yenti we.
Nyango nshafa. Mamencha His Excellency the Vice President of the Republic, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud NDC, Joma Mesedin Katesru Baumia. Mamencha Yonga Freddy Kodun Cancer, aka to me. A man say West in Soma, I'm a son quantum Moses, the mission of our education with Anira Don Kuma, Chamina, Dr. Sadon, Kona, the TNSA, and the MPP near Bahon, Nakupon Papa. Hey, I say, for my president, Mahama demonstrator, me will say, Tika Ghana, she can't do Ghana. The Nimina Quaco the entity for no. It's not a catcher and say, Yarina Mina, Manaka Dumpi, young Edja. Such a dumafi or no or your bow, Beman Panye or ban or Pakistan was elections. and what changes always cut. Ghana Skawaha, the mean I could get for the car.
Sikawa Ghana, pa, Bebacha Woody, and maybe a Casafi Wadaroma.
So, two for Yanko Pona, so ye free from Gamma pay.
When I may aqua, Puffy watches, says what the general would trust in Jinko.
Yaminsha winning meeting. Yamenton Kandamay. Mamen shouting out from Grandma Alan Koyetia Martin, delegates Madauruma. Yes, Senia, NDC Flyo Mediano. Mamin come for Nin Kramasa Alan Koyetia Martin. Or no nebitini at the end of the day. Only bit with Yacobo Shanta. Delegates Mamma mistake. Mofon Kukutimana Koyetia Martin. Sometimes Mamma Patas going to the piano. Second coming of Christ, you know. Or the use of Christo Mayano. And yet better, sir. It is your mama second coming a year or baby. Necessity and she crana. Ghana, my brand of Baba son. What's our cook another a? Your mama be here in English. 6 years or Casa 7. Your friends are 70, 570 cities in 80 cities, 85 cities. Any 90 cities, your mama 8 million.
Oh, yeah, that's it. Bebacha Woody, and maybe I'll Casafi Wadaroma.
Adriana,
Mira Solomon, chance one somebody.
Nana from Pomata, say what your man will be done. Mamma more about the number Junior Baumia, Manson, and Procommission. I'm in China paper. Na Mentia, Chema, the Noquapia, and a European Porto and Cancer. I'm not sure what's in Soma. Do not abandon saying to me. And a Ghana Vice President, His Excellency Dr. Alaji Mahmoud Baumia, and to Penny Daswan and Daswa, obey a party name, I'm advocating and mention of Panope. Then about and this is what Kotomo Abavi. Omampanyini dada no enya kwanya kugina Ghana efoni mo a woda omasia esema okatense na bidan kokofo de MPP no omasia omano omapo omano omatete omano leni ru pito no kache Ghana for say ya wina amana ka dompe nyankopon ya dom amana na do dan kokofo do ene ne able Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia eto ni amasakanka ka ene ya fese patronia na abafom ene for the first time in the history of Ghana e be sida.
Oh, yeah, that's it. But you did maybe I will cast a free Wadaroma.
Nana, baby, as a venue. The Darcy Miss Mamington, when you for the Koyon Cancer, Manson Quanta, A.K. into me, Mamin Chanapa, the modern Coquapia. Mohammed God is one of majority. Now, this is the second Messiah. And Dr. Mamin Chanapa. I can't say. So, President, give like your mama. No change, someone say, and now, Officer, one SU, what's your back? I'm go. Oh, when you folk, a general, what would you say? Banks are Ebulu, your more would discuss. I'm a look at the Napo quarter, it's a full chase cannon. I didn't call what Nani Grano. What Grano is a customer channel, what Jebby. Not a former president, NDC for a tumble. Some book on the phone, no, we are going to see, you know, what you want to have a tip on Libyan. So, what's again for you or take your settlement? Because in this settlement there, and former president, your mama, there's some control, man, Mama can't say, Oba, Kukubu, near the Kuku question. Meaning your former president of Soccer, it's much better for what one that is so bad as gas will become. Me wants to know who was it. Only one that was it.
Well, yeah, that's it. Young fat of fro, not your coy anime. But you did, baby, I can say to one armor. I told you, maybe I can say.
Your friend, Napo Junior, because a few men here.
Napo Junior, yes,
I'm in charge and quite a few, and I'm in charge of our incoming president, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Rubia, the chamber of the Bolima Champion members. Because my former president, Mama, we are not the one. I saw Metro Papa, Metro Kunya should be that. And someone walking in a swan chair, potentially Biao, and runs at the bar, and never abandoned with the plan that was the bar corruption. What kind of sack? I will be able to say that about me from Montani that would come Muhammad Fios that. And yet, the bit of war, man, but who cry, no, let's see what I can say. 4 years, anyway. Who's a different over 4 years? It doesn't know bit my. Ghana for more ministry of Mama, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, our incoming president.
Yeah, that was it. Bebacha Udi, and baby, Okasa free, Wadaroma. Hello. Bacha Udi, so Udi, baby, I can say. Young for Bebacha udin baby akasa free. Ya for from Amaso. Bebacha udin baby akasa free. Anopay. Hello.
Hello.
Acha udin baby akasa.
Good morning.
Good morning, Shehu Yalwa.
But what position?
Uncle Pardon Macra, now swear.
You we are professional plan. But what me found concert here. Finance Vice President Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, no education minister, and Chamorino Kokwapia Michiam. ADFC, or see a decorated monkey is always a monkey. ADFC in a kind, and a kind. Former President Mama was so bad. Although they cancel pension, and Skrasha. And Skrasha is up to now, would be. Uba Yakura, who Kuti committee, this can become human. Mr. What you know, what can check out for a winning magician, who come winning magician, what you not cricket of about Yaya. Who died 3 years and actually 3 months. What cancel nursing and teachers training allowances? Which would do so ultimate so and all because ye personal you use a dozen. By this time, some Kolani use phone 3, 4 plus laptop. No former president moment say we are drunk funo. A drunk funo Nkwaba ni mo what me sorry ana. No so they can take for say into abamau. Ghana for mum mistake.
Yeah, that was CP. But you did maybe I can say free without my last caller.
Yeah, friend, that's about nonsense.
Saba yenti way.
It's not about. I know more about the new show about for no man. People are concentrated on Modern Kokapia. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, the finance vice president. Himself Freddy Kodon Cancer Mansum Quanta. And it's John Kuma, the people have been start. Education minister. And I can so watch a benchmark. Minia. Expert the Mama here. In the Ghana from the Syrup. What kind of an question was you know? Or people go set and go. You want to know all Casano this year. Ghana else for 2. Oh, yeah, target 2. Ghana exceed target to for production. It's not what now says. Go Central. The same thing will say. So, Buffalo Planet are likely events that Ghana to a manner. On our back. Obey. Another cut of 4 years before movement. Yes, Ghana for the now we don't want it, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. It's a form of the Saturn. And will be a good to go. Kakam, Kakaka. Well, not about Kakra says. They do a abattoir. And that's to do politics in Syria. The Kakaka, Kotumpo
Kakaka, Rames Saba. Let's last also here free no say JDM. Want to me any kunim another Ghana for very time. Teacher, could you teacher constitution we are more say and was say Baumia, I don't know, may go across to be a Quambia so MPP Baby 8. Teacher, could you tepenya Susu and was say former president we are no mobile pa Misko Spelele Kaswa and was a JDM some of Kokayan and Yensembia Yemungu. Crespo was in there and I would Yachiao, Crespo baby, I would be a Sly Domba was so very free greater Accra and which him said Ghana for ble a jaw a Yoruba Baumia and another a memu. We bob what in Libehi and was MPP. One moon saw the second coming of John Dramani Mahama Nana said Ochina is Robert Anelka and was say Baumia were competent, were formidable. Our Bebuama Ghana, Etumpon, Akot Nimu, area Gusi Central Market, Odiano, Ode Abba, na watch them say, Nanado Danko Kufuado, dear Ghana for eternity, Papa, Ewo, Nijumedia, Odi, and so in Nemu, and a champon Kawaguchi Electricals, one also at the Nedia, Abba, and was John Dramani Mahama. Sabi, Papa no, name someone walking cano emu ye rempa. Now, way I Robbie fashion, no say, would you doom so by Wyoming, as so photon, a Jida, Nina, Yantuaba, and Fa and Mount, Kwame Abuaji, Cape Coast, and was say, Mahama, why a politics 30 years, we need single year at policy out of the Magana for. Abubakar. 1 minute Ghana for akasa kra ye kodie na dichai
medase de me ka kire Ghana for ina ne say Ghana for maso John Dramani Mahama 2 times ahwe abusuafo ye hu se de na mambo tantan na obebu ye no ye hu se de sikoye nyame adom na na ado so aba be se ade nim ono so waye ama enem pepe so aya ba be dunie na mum nyame ado na na ado de ne ye ina ye nim se eye atoyere nchem ene toyen na mum ya ba be ode ye ko bo sha asase no so abusuafo 2024 da ye nim 2024 no so ye den ya ajo mama na NDC for de na ba nyame adom omode NDC omode jo mama ba na de ye nim se ye the competent person in about 2024 ye de ne ba minim se Ghana for ewa oreshimu ewa MPP mu more than NDC for
okay
for monto abana ma NPP nyame
Garden boy
2024
aha yentie way
John they making you know say or amount for a friend obisi John Dramani Mahama say oba betu corruption na say na wan kire ekwan obefa so e kasa keke yen kama Ghana for 90 years say NDC policies be at say your policies are yede by bema corruption iden akofum corruption yentimi ntu ase ebi ne say yes the office of the special prosecutor no ye be resource o man say na na do da kwaku for the special prosecutor we are so say yete office no kwa na 2 years no money office na omunika na omo workers kwa omuntimi fa bi yesa ka say asset declaration law before say be man appointment declaration of asset no obe declare yesa ka say ye be use ade a friend sting operation the way anas army or anas ayen investigation no ye be employ that methodology ne bi e dey ati omo involved into corruption against this country yesa ka say various legislative arms of government are you no ye be show omo kena resource omo entino the John Dramani Mahama ekan it is not mere political talk yinim ekwanya ye be faso etu corruption ase ewo mamu Ghana sebe na ade eti na wo sori a na the greatest miracle enye say Jesus Christ say babium the greatest miracle ase wo mamu Ghana ekwanya excavator eni de etaban etu afowie ma ene yehu ne tirabe
Mira na so Garden Boy kasama NDC Mira
I like the commentary young men ni kan no chere the level of insider boys no be nti NDC ni MPP for no mpeni pa wo mo kasa e be appealing dan obi wo anu oto anu anse wo kasa keke eno de entoso na Garden Boy he looked like my first boy or a rascal and with me sure says you rough no or kakrawum says Emranti say to me politics for the next decade. I think we will get good resource people. I'm on my radio, various political appointments. Now, last thing, what can we be saying? Your mama, your mama, me tie Najidi. Me, what about me? Parent, your mama, be on slave queen for no. Intermediate, me no. Me tie will be about the imagine even no. Mister, me media slave queen, me no. You know.
Mira, Andrew, and what to the cano, you better be careful in Yas, Ghana for free, Jane, and you see Yahudo, ye can ye Jawai, yet that will be Piasi, and up here soon could you Miche, Rashid Yakini, the writer at the Facebook, so yeah, what dia. Honorable Yabwa Hima Ajeman, or a deputy women's organizer, NDC, Amekonuma Santimantemu, Mamiano Pay Michiao, baby, I will be ano, Yesen and Goponshia and the Cassio, at the Ma, 1 year Bushian Yaho by Nina Mishrao, the Udonsa Esomubiano, Enyenshra, or a deputy women's organizer, NDC Amekonumu, Honorable Yabwa Hima Ajeman, Yachao Nano Pay, baby, I will be a Busia, Yadmusia, yes, sorry. DJ BIS e de adwuma mle ato aso amaye mo fidie na ya na woni pa doso
woyam tutu anase emu samfono wohia amuzuke wayase ye wo ya anase